seen so much I shouldn't have saw. Tatted teardrops calling the heck of fall. It been up and down but never fall. I've been at the lock behind the wall. I've been at the lock behind the ratchet bitches wanting Frenchies, not Philippe. That's the type that put me in my mood. She know that I'm out, but she come cool for me. She know how to put me in my groove. I know it's a lot that you can learn from me. It's just one thing that you gotta prove. If you gotta walk with used to ride for me, I might need an extra for the two. Gotta keep my distance, they surrounding me. I'ma need an extra for the two. They might have to go and build a house for me. I'ma need an extra for the
crib, same size as the Galleria. Spanish model with me, call her senorita. I done fell in love with a hood girl. She be putting syrup in her margarita. Buy my college vibe a brand new Birkin. On the weekend, she be twerking. Take a shower in the Maybach, it got curtains. Leave your phone in your purse, you making me nervous. Saint Laurent done fresher than detergent. I be clean. Got a crush on this waitress, hoe she serve me. Not me. Porsche headlights on, Kermit the Frog. Michael Vick, number 7, I'm a dog.
Ratchet bitches wanting Frenchies, not Philippe. That's the type that put me in my mood. She know that I'm out, but she come cool for me. She know how to put me in my groove. I know it's a lot that you can learn from me. It's just one thing that you gotta prove. If you gotta walk with used to ride for me, I might need an extra for the two. Gotta keep my distance, they surrounding me. I'ma need an extra for the two. They might have to go and build a house for me. I'ma need an extra for the we done did so much around the law. Stay up to forget about what I saw. Powers keep increasing by the bar. Shit don't make you sleepy after all. Shopping in my closet, not the mall. Opening my mouth a disco ball. I extended my roll on the wall. I've been into designing it all. Water down the eyes, Niagara Falls. Got too many numbers you to call. Made too many ways for you to cross. Now we looking down and then we ball. Ratchet bitches wanting Frenchies, not Philippe. That's the type that put me in my mood. She know that I'm out, but she come cool for me. She know how to put me in my groove. I know it's a lot that you can learn from me. It's just one thing that you gotta prove. If you gotta walk with used to ride for me, I might need an extra for the two. Gotta keep my distance, they surrounding me. I'ma need an extra for the two. They might have to go and build a house for me. I'ma need an extra for the
villains don't perceive themselves as wrong, and all heroes do not wear capes. Villains are made, not born. Most times the villain and the hero's beginnings, unlike their endings, take nearly identical shape and form.
We represent destruction, nigga. Death, mayhem, murder, and madness, nigga. You try me, you're gonna die. You try to score, you're gonna die.
Pouring up, drink, sipping walk by the paint. Rich nigga, I buy you my friendship with the bank. My bougie bitch be acting like she loyal, but she ain't. Fell in love with a hood rat and she wild stank. My brother down the road with a stendo on his shank. Feel like I can do whatever, never say I can't. I won't move off my emotions, I'ma always think. Tracker on this car, catch him at the light and bang. I'm a east side nigga with a bankroll. Used to call us country, they don't want no gun smoke. I'm with this shit but count money, more fun though. All the ops say they hard, why they run for? All these choppers, I can open up a gun store. Really street, I ain't going for the gusto. Give you cash money, I can't get no fuck though. Bud shots hit his stomach, now he
My check.
Walk that nigga down, walk that nigga down, walk that nigga down.
Mic check. Mic working.
This time around we want all the money. 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 26 bitches and all of them love me. Watch on they wrists and all of them.
What up, chat? Good morning. What up, man? Ladies and gents, what's going on? Welcome back. What's up? What's up? What's up? Happy Monday? For real, happy Monday, chat. Happy Monday. Happy last week of the year, man. Man. Yo, yes. Leave a like on the stream if you guys are enjoying the, or sorry, not enjoying anything because it hasn't started yet, but leave a like on the stream, chat, if you guys haven't done so yet. Leave a like and sub to the channel. On our way to 40K here on YouTube. Let me just give me 1 second. I just gotta do something real quick. All right, what's going on, chat? What's going on? What's going on? Why is this that's it. It's so weird today. All right. Last week of the year for us, for me. Well, not last week on stream. So, I mean, it's been a good year, chat. It's gonna be a very, very important week. So yeah. We're coming to an end basically. As you can see, coming to an end. Last week of the year. I'm off after this week until, I don't know, January 9th. I'm off to January 9th. Maybe the 2nd, but I think I'm taking that whole week off as well, man. I usually come back in the 2nd week of the year, right? So yeah, it's gonna be a new week. Or it's gonna be a new year, and I guess we'll start fresh from there. But yeah, it's been a fun year. We did all we could. Did the best we could. But on to new things next year. And some new concepts too. So yeah, I'm excited, chat. Sometime this week, we're gonna have to go through this spreadsheet here. I don't know when. But I'm looking to do it sometime this week. I gotta take some notes down though. I gotta see what I gotta say about this, to be honest. But yeah, like this spreadsheet's has been our like this. Without the spreadsheet, I don't know where we'll be this year, to be honest with you guys, chat. In terms of our trading, right? So yeah, the spreadsheet's been gold for us. Literally has been gold for us. But we gotta take advantage of it, right? We gotta use it as a tool to relearn and redevelop new ideas, to unlearn some ideas that don't work out, and then improve for next year. Because next year, I don't know if who saw my tweet or not, but I tweeted on YouTube. I tweeted on Twitter. Sorry, it's a Monday. I tweeted on Twitter. 2020 on stream, we had a 6% win rate. 2021, we've had a 65. And 2022 we have a 76. So as you can see, every year we jumped a bit, you know. And even if you don't jump, because I think 2022 was the most, like, what's the word I'm looking for? It was the most man, what's the word I'm looking for, chat? It was the biggest leap. What's the word I'm looking for? Not even percentages too, but it was the biggest like leap. Like it was the most advancement. Nah, looking for another word, bro. I can't think of it right now. It's a Monday. It was the most innovative year, right? Most innovative year in terms of our strategy, our structure as a whole, our discipline. Like it was a completely brand new year, because 2021, because like the reason why this is so low in 2020 was because of the fake outs, right? And then 2021, we've discovered how to avoid fake outs mid-year. So at the end of the year, we had it down, but it was a little too late, you know? But in 2022, throughout the whole year, we knew what it was, right? The only thing we didn't learn in 2022 was range 2 against the trend on a small time frame. So we start implementing that, I think, like by March or April. So yeah, next year we have things to work on. But yeah, even if we increase by a bit next year, you know, 76 to 79 or to 85, you know, like that's perfect. So yeah, as long as you improve every year, you're on the right track. Now, yeah, that's a convo for later though. We gotta discuss that this week, you know. So I'm gonna be having a stream. I think I'm looking at Friday, probably or Thursday, to be honest. Days when it's probably dead for news. Oh man, this week's a wild week. Yeah, I guess Friday. Yeah, we'll do a Friday. But yeah, but we'll be discussing that, and we'll be looking for ways to improve on that. But yeah, that's gonna be a good. That's gonna be the wrap for the week, man. And then that's it. We're off to January, and see you guys next year, stream hoppers. But yeah, I gotta do some analysis right now, chat. So, oh, also, man, this website chat, I've been stressing the guy out on purpose. I can give you guys like a little idea that this is like a little screenshot, I guess, of what it is, but to be honest, like it's not even done. Like it's not even close to being finito or anything. Like it's close to being finished, but it's not like I don't know if we can do this by this week. But before Christmas is still doable, but this week I don't know. I'm gonna show you guys real quick. Like I really like this is just a small concept, like honestly. Like I can't show you as much, to be honest. Like this is all I can show you really. But yeah, it's gonna man. I don't know, man. I hope it's before Christmas, because okay, worst case first week of January, but it should be before Christmas, man. It should be. I gave him a whole long message yesterday. Kind of rushing him, but I don't want to rush him because I want the website to be clean and nice, right? So yeah, it's a big website though. It's gonna be a lot of new concepts, new things there. So anyways, chat, forgot that. Let's go and talk about the charts real quick. So today is Monday, December 12th. You know, we're 12 days to Christmas, and we're 5 days away, 6 days away from Messi winning the World Cup. You know, I'm not sure who watched the World Cup, but that's crazy. Croatia, really, man? The team that didn't want to advance has a chance to go to the finals again, man. What the man? I really didn't want Croatia to advance, to be honest, man. Of all teams, man. Of all teams, Brazil. Come on, Brazil. But yeah, shout out to Morocco though. They're doing fine. Yeah, man. I want to see Argentina and France in the finals, but Croatia and Morocco in the finals won't even do that. Speed the press now. Yeah, I saw. All right, yo. Anyways, I'm getting too distracted here, chat. Let's do that analysis real quick. So let's take a look at this stuff. We can start off with GJ first. So as you can see here, or gold first. As you can see, gold for the week. I think last week's candle closed. I mentioned how last week was an indecision zone, right? Meaning that like it didn't really do much. It closed right at resistance. And since it closed right resistance, there's a high chance that that there's really no range to drive up, because it just closed right at resistance, as you can see here, just right at resistance, no bullish closure above the range, right? And then obviously we don't have a closure below the range as well. Like, we're just in the range here. We don't have a bearish closure at resistance, so it's called an indecision because there's no direction at price yet. There's no information to tell you where price is gonna go, and that's why we end up closing doji last week. Now, with the way we closed this last week, doesn't help us for this week. It does not help us for this week at all. It really does not. It closed doji, meaning that it did nothing. It opened up here and it closed there, and it literally did nothing last week. So same boat as last week. It's still a closure at resistance, no resistance formed, no closure above, indecision zone. This week's gonna be chopped for GG or for gold. Chop means that, like, okay, not chopped as in like there won't be like movement at all. There'll still be movement here, as you can see. You still have this range, like you can definitely still bounce in between his range, but I'm speaking in terms of like direction overall and trend, right? There's like, we're not gonna like break any ranges or anything. We're probably gonna be in this range from 1800 until like 1760, which is fine. It's definitely a tradable range, especially with the way we trade. If you're not hitting home runs every day. The daily here for us is I guess I'm gonna say very bullish as well. The thing with the daily is that it came down, it broke the lows, but it could flip and still draw out for a day, so I still have a bullish bias. And I'll look for sells if you get a range 2 breakout, right? So we're bullish, and we'll look for sells if you get a range 2 breakout. If that makes sense. Drop down to a small time frame. I'll explain further. Drop down to the 4-hour time frame. This is a nice 4-hour close. Wow. So you have a strong support going across right around here on price, and it looks like price has closed bullish at support, confirming that the range formed, and therefore there's a high chance now if this candle, as long as it respects this low right here, it should continue to drive up to retest the highs and tap the top of the ranges at 1804, 1802. So yeah, I mean, we have a lot of range to go up today. Minimum target for a day is gonna be around, I'll say 1800, right? This resistance right here, I believe this should be at the 1800 mark, right? 1798, yeah, that's your first target, and over looking at like potentially 1803, 1804 today. So you have tons of ranges going up today. Let's see how we can get it positioned and take advantage of those positions. So let's see. So the 1 hour closes in about 6 minutes here, and I believe if the 1 hour closes in 6 minutes and it closes above this amount of resistance to the left hand side here, then there's a high chance that the next 1 hour candle should likely pop up. And then looking left, that should take you up towards the 1798, potentially even 1799 mark. So I'll say this is your next zone. So if you do close bullish above the range here, I will take buys going up. And we can look to basically mirror, like, I guess you can say these counts to the left here. These ranges to the left here. So yeah, I guess a closure above in 5 minutes would be lovely. And we'll have a position at 7 a.m. here. Nice and early in the morning. 4 pip stops, target gonna be 4 to 5 pips, roughly at 1-to-1. But yeah, I guess that's what we're looking for here. And that's what we're gonna wait for, right? Looks pretty clean. Pretty clean. Now let's move on to GJ real quick. We have 4 minutes left to analyze this. So starting off with GJ for the weekly. Again, we're in a very ugly range right now, right? Like, as you can see, we basically kind of just formed the support right here, and you kind of form the resistance right here. It's a very tough range. However, if price is in the range here and we are closing bullish at support here, I mean, I would expect this weekly candle to continue to drive up, because if we are closing bullish at this support level, there's a high chance that price will likely pop up and fill the top of the range, tapping 171. Now, how can we get there? Well, let's come to the small time frame. Let's take a look at that. So the weekly overall, the weekly structure, you're bullish, you're expecting 171 off of the ranges formed. The weekly, the daily is bullish as well today. Nice bullish closure you had on Friday, right? So today's candle, basically there was a resistance right around here, and I believe it should come up to tap levels today. 168, and the target should be 168.758. Looking left, as you're closing bullish at the support level, look left, you have basically clean traffic to drive up towards the top of the range, which is 169, 168.500. So that's what I'm kind of targeting. So looking left, you have all that range going up, and I wouldn't be surprised by if the end of the day we come up and we tap those levels to the left. All right, that 169 mark. So there's that. As for positions, I'll say honestly, there is drop down to a small time for the hourly here, closes in about 3 minutes here. 30 closes as well, but if the hourly is closing, there's a resistance right around here at 167. What level is this that we're looking at? Okay, let's move it up a little bit. Right around there should be fine. 168.006. You close above 168.006 today, you should make your way up towards the top of the range, and that takes you up towards the 168.451. So this range going up, chat, isn't too bad. I believe it's a range of like 40 pips. So yeah, anything above there should be good for a closure. For more buys going up, but you need to close above first before we actually take positions there. All right. So yeah, give it like about 3 minutes here. You might get GG, you might get gold. I don't know. Both are pretty clean. Gold is just a slightly bit cleaner due to the 4-hour candle, but we shall see, which closes in about 2 minutes here. But yeah, just buys above here, closures above, simple, straightforward. You have a support level right around here. This is the bottom of your range, I guess you can say. Right? So that's your range. As for gold, if you don't close above, your bottom of the range is going to be, I guess you can say, right around here, going across. Right? That's your previous range, and then we'll hover there for a bit if you don't break out. But for the time being, this is what I got for buys above. And then sells be a range to breakout. So sells will probably be anywhere below 1786 today for gold. If I'm looking for sells, I'll look for sells below there. All right, so I guess those are my ranges for the day. Cool. Range to sells. Boom. Let me send the Zoom link real quick. I know Wixnot's waiting. Yeah, chat, that's gonna be the analysis. Let me actually update the record real quick. The record was not updated on Friday. Alright, cool. Well, what up, loco? What's going on? What's going on? Load shedding? Yeah, so what happens when you have load shedding? Like how long is the power off for? I'm hungry as shit this morning. Down when do you stop trading in this month, and when you come back next year? Yeah, I come back January 10th, January 9th. I'm still trading for the year, chat. I'm not done trading. I'm just off stream. I'm taking a break because trading is not complicated, man. Really, it's really not. But streaming, it's a whole different level. So yeah, I won't be streaming, but I'll still be trading and doing my thing until the end of the year. I always do that. Or yeah, I'll probably still be trading, to be honest. Like, market's still open, to be honest. And when there's volume, there's volume. When there's no volume, there's no volume. But quarter 4 has not slowed down like one bit. Quarter 4 has just been moving as if it's like quarter 3. This year, at least. This year, quarter 4 has been amazing. All right, so let's see. 168.024, you didn't close above. There's a resistance there that we need to close above in order for us to get positions. We did not close above. So in that case, I can't take positions. As for gold, same narrative. It just closed right resistance. Right, this candle did not completely close above. It closed right below. Therefore, it's at an indecision level, just like the weekly candle. It And you guys are gonna see a better example of it because it's a smaller time from here. You guys want to see what I mean when I speak about indecision level. You'll see within this candle instead of looking at the weekly and waiting all 7 days for the close, right? So what it means is that it's just that it closed right at resistance. It didn't close above. There was no continuation for us to drive up, and it didn't close bearish, obviously. So there's no rejection confirmation for us to drive down. So therefore, it's just you kind of gotta just wait for the next candle to close, which is this candle, right? So this candle is gonna determine where it's gonna go. This bearish candle here, it can either close above, or it can close bearish over resistance. If it does close bearish over resistance, then we'll probably make our way back down to the bottom of the support and create some type of range there. But yeah, that's probably what I'll be waiting for, to be honest. The next 30 candle or next hourly candle. We may get a trade in this hourly candle, but the chances of us getting a trade here is very unlikely, to be honest. And so 8 AM. I'm keeping it a buck. I don't think December is choppy due to Christmas. I don't think the markets are choppy at all. I just see the markets. Every day I wake up, I have the same relationship with the market every day. I don't wake up saying, yeah, you know, it's the Monday today, so my relationship with the market today is not that strong. My feelings with the markets aren't that strong today, or, you know, like, nah. I treat the markets the same every day. I wake up, come to the markets as if there's nothing happening. And when there's volume, there's volume. When there's volume, you will see volume, and your strategy, your price action strategy, whatever you're waiting for, is the same. Same as if there was no volume. If there's no closures, there's no volume. Like, you could see volume. You could determine if there's volume or not based off your strategy. All that should be predetermined. I don't wake up one day saying, yeah, you know, markets are choppy today, I don't want to touch it. No, bro. Like, I'm here every day because market changes. I mean, the market changes every day, right? It's not always gonna be the same. Some days it might move 1,000 pips, some days it might move 5-10 pips, but when there's volume. So yeah, December Q4, I didn't treat it no differently. Came to the markets came to the charts every day, and it's been one of the best months of the year. I'm not gonna lie. I think it's the top 5 month of the year, December. Markets can move 5 pips in April, March, the months where it's supposed to be volatile. Even some months, who knows? Markets can move a lot more in December, November. It just really depends on the year. Like last year, Q4 was a little worse. Not gonna lie. The year before, Q4 was dead. The year before that, Q4 was dead too. 2019, 2020 Q4s were pretty dead, but the last 2 years have been pretty decent. So you just gotta be here, man. You just gotta show up. What strategy current snaps? I think the same strategy, just on a small time frame. Same closures, same onions. Just taking advantage of the small time frame candles for entries. Same strategy though. Just off the 5 and 15. What it really is though, it's just the onion on the 15. Like that's what I'm looking at a lot. The onion on the 15. Wix 9. Gold close no bomb looking at 15. Thoughts? The 15 is irrelevant here because the 1 hour is still open, right? The 1 hour is the 1 hour is the 1 hour is the main picture here. That's the main picture really. So the 1 hour in this case is close right resistance for me. I'm not sure how it closed for you guys. Some of you guys say it could close above because I think some of you guys probably have a resistance right around here. I'm guessing you guys have a resistance here, and if for you guys it closed above, right? And you're looking at discount to left there, valid, doable. I just had a strong resistance right around here, so I just left that at 17.95. I can see where you guys have resistance at. Around here, right? Not too bad, Chad. Not too bad. You're there next year? I don't know. I don't know. I don't know. Might just be gold next year. I don't know. What's our win rate for GG this year? 68. God damn. It's wrong there, man. Something's definitely wrong. For us to drop like almost like 9%, something's up. 9% is a huge difference. Even in this channel, it's 11%. In the same channel, it's a 11% difference. 11. Something's up with that, man. Something's up with GJ, as you can see, obviously. So, I don't know, man. GJ might be dropped. Then again, like, it wasn't even like that. It wasn't that great of a year for GJ, but we shall see, man. We shall see. Everything I've been sample sizing though has been mainly focused on gold. Like everything I've been sample sizing were in a small time frame, and like when we discovered fake all of that, it was all discovered on gold. It wasn't really discovered on GJ. We just implemented with GJ too, but might just be a gold year for me next year, to be honest, chat. Gold and we shall see. What do you guys do next year? What pairs do you guys trade right now, chat? Let me know. Let me know down in chat. What do you guys trade? Some of you guys got like 20 pairs. Like, just pick one. You'll be fine. Your Wix, you might gotta reconnect and disconnect. Your thing is chopped. HKUSD? Yo. You guys know that feeling when, like, I'm saying this because I went through the same feelings too, but you know when like it's like a week and all your pairs are dead, so you start looking at the chart, the market, and like, what other pair is volatile right now that I can trade? Ooh, what's this? USD, or you trade like pound, euro pound or something, right? Or you start looking at just random pairs that you never touched before in your life, like, oh, what's USD Max? What is this? And then you start trading it, and then you're like, oh wow, this is volatile. And then, you know, you guys fall in love with the pair. How many times have you guys done that in your life? I definitely have. When I first started trading. Yeah. Yo, honestly, and that's how people overtrade though, to be honest. Like, that's how you become an overtrader, by just when you're constantly scanning the markets for setups because you don't see any of the setups. Like I say, like, wait for the markets to come to you, right? Let the markets come to you first. You don't come to them; they come to you. So if you're searching for a setup, you're definitely overtrading, man. You're definitely just finding a way to make money for the week, to make back your losses or wins. Not good, man. Not good. Are there enough volume to trade on the first week of January? The thing is, man, I don't know. We're not on the. See, here's the thing, man. You guys think too far ahead, man. Think about the current week. When it comes to January 1st, come to the charts and see if there's volume. See if they're prices closing outside your ranges. See if we're actually moving. If we're just in a barcode like this, then we won't have volume. What's so hard about that? Like, chat, what's so hard about that? Coming to the first week of January and seeing this volume or not? Like, what's so hard about that? Well, like, you don't gotta make it hard for yourself. You don't gotta predict, like, oh yeah, I think the first week of January, like, you guys are trying to analyze the speed of NASA or something, bro. The chat, it's not that deep, man. Come to the first week of January, see there's volume, come to the charts, you'll see breakouts. If not, you'll see ranges. If there's ranges, then you won't trade it. Like, it's not that hard, right? But you gotta stop guessing, man. You gotta stop guessing. Like, some of you guys asked, like, oh, you didn't gold in that drive with 500 pips today? Like, I don't know, bro. What are you trying to do? Pass your funny challenge? Like, bro, take what the market gives you, man. Stop assuming, right? And start trading the markets as what it is. as to what it gives you. Lots of new traders say don't be so mean. Me being mean? I'm not being mean. Me being mean? Yeah. Have y'all seen some other streamers? I'm answering the question. I'm not even trolling. Me being mean? Me being mean. I don't know about that, man. You think drop next year? Yeah, I think so, man. You know what, man? Felix Jr. I know you lost the World Cup, bro, but is that his name, Felix Jr.? No, is this Felix, right? Who's that guy who plays for Portugal?
Boy, he young looking as hell.
Hmm?
You look real young,
Who, me?
Felix.
Oh yeah, Felix. Yeah, that guy.
What's the deal, chat?
That guy does look mad young. What's the deal? Yo, I'm being mean today, bro. Apparently.
Can't handle this. I need to go smoke a J. This is too much for 7 a.m.
Yo, who's that guy for England that missed that penalty shot? What's his name?
Kane.
Harry Kane.
Yo, did you see the commercial with him?
No.
This is so funny. Like before the World Cup, he did a commercial where he has to miss a penalty shot above the bar. Like it was 1-to-1. Yo, turn on the commercial. It's hilarious.
No shot. The man practiced that too much.
Yo, he really practiced that in a commercial. That shit was so funny. I was like, no, he predicted it.
Which one?
Right there. Yeah. Watch this.
Oh, I never seen this.
This is hilarious.
No. You got it all wrong.
It went in there.
Yeah.
No shot. No shot.
Watch.
Why does it do this? God damn, son.
Harry, much better. That's the one.
God.
Watch. He said much better. Wait. Oh, you didn't finish watching
Let's
it?
finish. Oh, sorry. I can't watch a 50-second clip.
Oh, wow.
Much better. That's the one.
Sure.
Yeah, it's good.
Much better. Yeah, it's good. I want to see the
No,
regular
he
one.
was like, nah. What do you mean? I missed it. And the guy was like, yeah, but that's how I won the World Cup. When that guy played, he missed the penalty kick, but the England still won the World Cup. So he was like, yeah, I had to miss mine to win the World Cup. Well, he really practiced it.
Yo, is it just me, man, or Mbappe gives me Giannis vibes, man? Nah?
Well,
Like,
no,
he's like the
does he
upcoming
look
GOAT.
like Giannis?
Giannis is the upcoming GOAT.
No.
No? You won't
No.
compare them in the sport? Like, there's Messi, Ronaldo. That's like saying there's fucking LeBron and Kobe, and then there's the upcoming GOAT. There's like Luka Doncic and Giannis, no?
Yeah, the other guy was a rugby player. That's true. He said, that's how I won my World Cup.
I think he was nervous. Holy. Yo, whoever fan got the ball, bro.
You got to give it back, though.
I know. Damn.
I would have popped that ball right there. I'm like, motherfucker. It's deflated. Deflate gate number 2.
Let's go, France. My
Go
team with the
Morocco.
dub.
No, I'm rooting for Morocco now.
I'm rooting for any team except for Croatia.
No, I'm rooting for the underdog. Always. Go Morocco.
Uh,
I don't know though. Morocco is gonna need fucking 12 men and some weapons. Like a shank in the middle of a soccer field, just as they're running around.
yeah, where's Kieran today? Is he sick from the game? I'll be sick too. That's why my team lost.
That boy would rather be in a fucking car accident as well. He's like, fucking lost. Hit me with a car. They choked. They fucking choked, yo, like they always do. Always fucking choke.
Imagine Ronaldo scored that goal at the end of the game. I think it was the last 3 minutes. Man,
Imagine they didn't bench him initially. You are correct, Edith. You are correct about that. I'm in England, and we have to agree. You always choke. I was rooting for England, knowing that they'll choke. Like I knew it when Kane came up to hit that penalty. I was like, no, that's over. He's not gonna hit this. Like they always find a way to fuck up. It was either he was gonna hit the penalty, and then they would have fucking found a way to lose an extra time, or he was gonna miss that penalty.
I'm not gonna lie, me too, man. Next year, all my trades gonna be offline, chat. All my trades.
I mean, if you guys really want to do it big and become multimillionaires, you cannot. You have to hit offline runners.
Same shit, different tool. See, yo, GJ closed. It didn't close above my strong resistance. I think I at first had a resistance down here at this level, but then afterwards I moved it up because there was more resistance right around here. So I'm aware of this level right here. So I need a closure above this level. Some of you guys may have buys already off of this candle, but I'm just waiting for a closure above here. So if we close above in 30 minutes, or sorry, 11 minutes, we might get positions, just maybe. But I'm gonna need a closure first, all right? So let's see if we can get that. Shall be great.
We closed below my level. But my lower level is a little bit lower than yours as well.
Yeah. 11 minutes. We close above, it wouldn't be too bad. That was gonna be around like 19 pips. Not too bad.
Where's your level at? What's it say? 16808. Oh no, mine's a bit higher than yours. I got 168.1.
Asian session trades. Pretty sure it's clear as day. This whole entire range down. Not too sure what y'all want me to explain. I'm surprised we broke the day of lows for today though. I didn't think we'll break the day of lows. I guess because the day kind of no bottom wick, right? So this kind of came down and created that bottom wick. And then if it flips here, that's also a closure above 1796 for us.
Got a level right here.
Yeah. I told chat earlier. I know some of you guys have levels here. And you guys close right above from here, right? Close right above from here, right? Hey, whose mic is that? Sorry.
Somebody's on. Oh, that's Sharif.
No, that was Charles. I heard ding ding. The NT5 sound. How big leverage you use? 1 to 500. 1 to 500. That's all you really need. I don't use a full leverage. I don't even use a full leverage though. Realistically, if I had a 1 to 100, it'd be the same, right? It's not like we overtrade or anything. Some brokers though, Traders Domain, they got different leverages for different they have different levels for, or different leverages for different pairs. So GJ would have like a 1 to 500 and gold will have like a 1 to 100 max leverage. Are you gonna trade next week? Yeah. No. Oh, sorry. Yeah, I am gonna trade next week, but I'm not gonna live stream until the first week of January. So yeah. Yeah, no, because I'm still trading like the market doesn't really change or anything. Like I'm still gonna be here every day until the 31st of the year. But as for me being on stream, I'm not gonna be streaming. Streaming is a whole different level of stress, to be honest. Trading is not stressful. Streaming sometimes could be stressful. So I'll still be here, but we shall see. You're still trading the rest of the year, Wix, or you're not trading at all? Like you're off the charts.
No, I'm gonna be off the charts completely after the 16th. That's it. I'm taking my break. Not looking at nothing. You can ask me how's gold doing, and I'll be like, what's that? I don't even know what that is.
Yeah, the thing is, a vacation for me is not streaming it, which is not being on the charts for like 3 hours, Wix, or 3 hours.
Yeah, and like not doing this every day. Like, yeah, it's nice rest, but you know, last year, if you guys looked, the charts moved last year all the way through past Christmas, right? Through like 24th, 25th, like, yeah, it was moving. But honestly, I'm just taking a break, a rest. I didn't rest all year. I've literally taken no breaks the entire year. And when Don had vacation, I didn't take a break. I had to cover for Don, right? So this is gonna be 2 weeks of not touching the charts. Yo, I'm gonna come back so rusty. I feel like I'm gonna come back rusty because it's gonna be 3 weeks of not doing nothing.
No, you can't come back rusty. Impossible.
You know what I'm gonna do? Yeah,
it's impossible.
I know what I'm gonna do. We're gonna I'm gonna, set up the overlay. We're gonna drop a couple of vlogs. There's shit coming in the new year, right? It's gonna be a really exciting year, and I'm gonna try to get ready for the year, the beginning of the year. But I'm not gonna continue streaming.
You can be rusty, like coming back if you were playing sports, but like if you just come back to your charts, you have it already in you. Like you know what your plays are, your setups are, so
yeah,
you can't.
Well, in sports, I got really good muscle memory and motion memory. I've never been rusty. I could take months off, come back, and still drop buckets. You know what I mean? But
stop the cap.
So I paused. I was waiting for it to hit. I'm like, hold on, is he gonna hit him with the noise? Not even to stop the cap sound. It's the fucking laughter afterwards. It gets me.
It's just so loud and long.
It's awesome. But yeah, got Broly working on some shit.
Broly, man, I'm gonna need you here today, man. I'm not sure where you are, Broly. But I'm gonna need you here, Broly.
All I'm saying is that we're gonna hit the ground fucking running in 2023. right? So get your fucking track shoes. We gonna get you some fucking band-aids. Because we're not stopping for injuries, all right? Keep rolling.
You see me rolling.
Patrolling and trying to stop me trading. Trying to catch me trading dirty. Trying to catch me trading dirty. Catch me trading dirty.
What do you guys think? Your own broker can be helpful in trading? Yeah, man. Yeah, your own broker, you can't lose, man. You cannot lose. So
you don't even have to stream.
Yeah, I'm gonna make a broker call them.
No stop.
Hey, 2 minutes left for a closure. Can you close? Or will you not close and not drive? Find out. Will you close above this range? Will BJ close above 168.024 here to make its way up towards 168.317? We shall find out. Advantage point? I think I just drew it. You have all this clean traffic until like 168.315. Or maybe an advantage point at like the 168.192 mark. Or around there, yeah. I'll say around here is your advantage point. It just happens to be 10 pips here. It's such a coincidence. Every time we have an advantage point, it just happens to be 10 pips or 11. Around that range. Oh. I'm not sure what you're looking at. But I'm waiting for a closure above the range here.
OM gang, OM.
You look at the 15? Yes, I do. There's a possible rejections here. Yes, there's a possible rejection on the 15. There's a possible rejection on 30, but the 30 is a higher time frame. And look at the 30-minute time frame. There's rejection wicks here, rejection wicks here, rejection wicks here, rejection wicks here. All these rejection wicks here, but there's one thing. All those rejection wicks have in common. That one thing is that it never closes above the range here. So if you close above the range here, then in case you have enough volume for us to drive up towards the next resistance. Bish. I try to say that in one breath. Bish. That makes sense. But yeah, close above, because if you don't close above, then you end up doing what these counts to the left here did, which is all close above this resistance, right?
At this point, fuck the closure above. It needs to pull back.
Yeah, it needs to have a top wick here, because if it doesn't have a top wick, then I'll do what the 15 did, which is no top wick, and that's kind of rejected. So yeah.
Sell Don? I would never sell Don. Keeping Don.
I would. I'll sell myself.
Put him up on eBay.
I'll sell myself for my own broker.
How many pips do you get this year? Because typically the sale of a business should involve its annual value, right? I'll sell Don for like 1,200 pips.
Yo, no top wick, like no top wick. There's no question about it. There's no trader for me. No trade for here for me. I'm gonna wait for the 1 hour closure because there's no top wick here, but it means that there's no range to drop up, right? Or the probability of it dropping up becomes a lot lower here. So we don't take lower probability trades. Therefore, there's no trade here taken for us. So yeah, no. Yo, Paul, man. Yo, Paul, do you actually know how many DMs I got about that? Don't forget, a couple more days left before I close my registration for a sale. I'll turn your 20K to $5 in 2 days. Don't miss out. I was not scamming them. That is true. I did turn my 20K in 5 days in a day. Trading's so easy, chat. You know, trading's so easy. I just turned $1,000 to $0. So easy. Oh man. Well, chat. Gonna be a boring 30-minute candle, I can say. Not much you can do. Yo, chat, if you guys are enjoying the stream today, though, if you guys are actually here and present, leave a like on the stream. We have 700 watching, and there's no way we have only 150 likes. Chat, it's not that complicated to leave a like, man. It's if you guys can place your buy stops and sell stops, and then complain to me about the trade being garbage, or about the trade not hitting TP or a trade hitting stop loss, you can definitely leave a like. It takes 0.5 seconds. You know, 0.5 seconds. 184. We can get 200 here. 200. 648. I rounded up, you know. Oh, there we go. 200. Can we get 300 though? 9 to 5. It's 651. Like 300 is not like 300 won't even be 50%. It'll be like 45. Gold, man, gold. Gold did break the day of lows today, chat. Like, I'm open to range 2, but I got my range 2 below 1786. That might change. We might move it to below 1790, but we shall see. Oh, from Thailand? Damn, I want some Thai food now. I've been craving Thai food the last couple of weeks. Man. Thai food for breakfast? Hell yeah. Hell yeah. Heard Thai food is good. It is good. Get yourself a pad Thai. They have a bunch of other stuff too, but I think the most popular dish around the world is pad Thai. So get yourself a pad Thai. Can you tell me what the recommended lot size for 5 to 10K? There's really no recommended lot size, to be honest, man. There's a recommended percentage size, and that recommended percentage size is going to be 1 to 2% per trade. So yeah. Yo, 232 likes, chat. 70 more, guys. Come on, 70 more. We can do this. 599. Thanks for our working content. Hey, thank you, bro. Got you. I got you. You're from Thailand? No, I'm Vietnamese. I'm from Canada. I'm Canadian Vietnamese. Born in Toronto. Background is Viet. What broker do you use? Right top left of my screen, my guy. Blueberry Markets. A minute.
Nope.
Nope. What do you mean nope?
I mean, no. He said, "Ninja, you fucking amazing." Eddie always late. Eddie's late by nature. When you show up, Ed, I know you're late. Calling it out.
I'm new to Forex. I don't know how to set this up. Yeah, you gotta go on baypips.com.
What's he trying to set up?
His broker.
Oh.
Baypips.com. They teach you how to set up your brokers and connect it. You just gotta register for a broker. Any broker is fine. Just recent reviews, you'll be fine. And then
Setting up the broker,
connect it to your M5.
setting up the broker and donating money to it. I mean, adding money to it should be a lot easier than some actual trading. So see if you can get through that first, and if you can, that's your challenge. Once you pass that challenge, maybe you're allowed to trade.
Donating.
Misspoke there. Okay?
Donating money to your broker.
I meant depositing. When you deposit money, not when you donate money to your
Bro,
broker.
I donated so much money to the markets, bro. Man. So much money to the markets. Not by PayPal. Unfortunately,
You can donate any way you want.
we only use pay. Oh, actually, for the course, you can use crypto. Just hit me up. The course can use crypto. The signals can't use crypto because it's like a monthly subscription based thing. So I can't keep track of that with crypto. I don't have a service that offers crypto yet. Yeah. I mean, you can pay by PayPal. You just use your debit credit. You don't gotta use PayPal.
Just fucking drop some cash off by Don's house. Pull up.
I'm doing it for 3 years worth of write-offs. Your swap sometimes. Your swap gives you write-off sometimes though. Sometimes your swap could be positive. I guess that's your write-off. Sometimes you make money by holding a trade. He says that's a multi-millionaire, and I can't even say anything about being a 100K-er. Hey Don, how do you determine if you're going to enter more than one position on a trade?
Is that ever a question? Do we enter more than one position? It's not really like a thing.
It is a thing sometimes. Sometimes, it's like you kind of gotta treat every trade the same. Like it's just 4 different trades, really, 4 different ideas. I know what it is. Like each trade had its own stop. Each trade had its own idea, really. Off of that specific time frame.
You had 4 positions running at the same time on the same pair?
Yeah.
Is it like the only time you've ever done that in your life?
No. I had a In 2021, I've had a 60 lot run, 320s at once.
Yeah, but that's because
But like at the end of the day, though, the risk is still the same risk. Like the risk is.
yeah, I mean, maybe there was like really little stops there. Maybe
Yeah.
like you had like 8 pip stop. I get it, but
Because like in 2022, what we've been emphasizing, it's gonna require us to
but you'd
have
say you
multiple positions.
decided to do that. You decided to do that at that moment. It's not, you weren't looking for the trade to do that. You decided to do that as the trade was open. You were like, all right, so
Yeah.
it would just make sense because of my stops and my risk.
Yeah.
Okay. Evolving, yeah. I mean, you should be evolving. You should always be growing. Don't plateau yourself. But Jerry, I don't really care for what he did. I like to hear the reasoning behind what people do.
Yeah, next year you guys see a lot more of that often. Well, what we're kind of heading towards for next year. I'm excited, yo. I'm excited.
Yo. All should be excited. You'll be trading with him. You might get some breakdown time. Have you been trading US 30 like gold?
Me?
Yeah.
I haven't touched US there once. I might just trade gold next year and that's it. No GJ. Just gold.
No, GJ is not leaving my arsenal.
I might leave mine because something's wrong here, bro. Like there's no reason this is 10% off. Like no reason at all it should be 10% off. If it was like 4%, 3%, sure, but 10%. I don't care if it's a 68, 70. It's
because
still
the smallest.
10%
The
off.
GJ doesn't run as strong as gold, right? It's still very technical, but doesn't run as strong. So probably look at the higher time frames versus smaller time frames, because your smaller time frames, I think, is where it goes wrong. 15 here. Gold 5-minute run. GJ 15-minute is less likely to run than a gold 5-minute.
But like how many 15-minute GGs have you had though? I think we have more 15 golds because gold has more volume.
But what I'm saying is gold runs, right? So you're thinking GG is going to act like gold, and it's not. Gold is just more volume and a lot more technical than GJ. Gold respects levels and bounces off of them. Not as technical. I mean, GJ is not as
If that's
technical.
the case, then might as well just drop it. I mean, what's the point then? You know?
Because
Might as well
70%, best traders in the world would love to be 70% win rate.
Well, unfortunately, I
There's
won't be the
nothing wrong
greatest trader in the world.
I'm just saying that, overall 70% is solid. People want to be at 55,
We got standards, man. We got standards.
We're just going to switch to Bitcoin next year, chat. Just BTC, 7 days a week, streaming Saturdays, Sundays. 5 p.m., no problem.
Nice position. Blueberry $12 spread. First of all, that whole sentence did not make sense. $12 spread. First of all, spread is not by dollar. Spread's by the spread. Dollar is commissions. You gotta pick one, man. $12 spread. Something's off there. Blueberry is not $12 spread. Blueberry maybe is
like 120 pips.
A 1.8 pip spread. 12 point on GJ or on gold, sorry, but 1.2 pips. $12 though.
Point. That's a valid point, Sinclair. Very valid. Oh, he's talking about Bitcoin.
Oh, Bitcoin! I never touched Bitcoin. But how's he gonna have a $12 spread? You mean 12 pips?
It's better than $25 2 years ago. How do I get your paid signals? You have to pay. I got kids I know. Yeah, we're a rare breed, my man. Waiting for them to reach teenage years and do their own thing. Why? So you could be peace to the baby mama. I'm just kidding. You know he loves you, Sinclair's baby mama. If you watch. Just joked. Need that liquidity grab, chat. What do you mean no one talk? We just grabbing liquidity here. Yeah, we're gonna drive right now. Grabbed all this liquidity right here. USA FIFO rule sucks. What is that? First in, first out, right?
When should you quit your job and take the leap of faith to pursue trading? Honestly, man, you can't really choose when. You can't choose when you want to become a full-time trader.
I think it'll let you know.
I don't want to trouble. No, like I think honestly, you will know when. You can't know when once you start making a steady income. I'll say usually once like you see your yearly salary or yearly income 3-4x.
When you don't have that question anymore, like when is a good time, because you'll fucking know. You're gonna be like, yo, I'm fucking doubling my salary at work and I'm spending 7 hours there and 2 hours here. What am I, an idiot? Get the fuck out of here. And call the boss right there and be like, look, bro, honestly, if you want, I got some free time and you might want to quit your boss ass job and come to me and I'll teach you. You're gonna know. You're gonna be sitting at work going, yo, why am I wasting my time when I just made triple what I do here? That's you're gonna fucking know it. You're gonna be like, this shit does not make sense. What the fuck am I doing?
Don't be a dumbass though and just quit your job after a month of success.
Don't just quit and be like, all right, let's hope this works now.
Yeah. Let's hope this works now. Let's play this game of hope.
Bro, that fortune cookie said it's coming. Fortune cookie told me that great times of prosperity are upon me, so it meant that I can quit my fucking job. No, that's not what it means.
How long will it drop? Gold? You should see 1789 here. Should see 1789, 1790 minimum here.
You know, Green hit the gym at least twice this weekend. Can't have a great weekend without hitting the gym at least twice. Maybe 3 times.
I'm mad hungry.
Immortals.
Long will drop. Do you have me on mute? I just answered the question. I said you should see 1789, 1790 here. Minimum. You have me on mute. I just answered your question, man. Come on. See, this is what I mean, chat. This is why we need a vacation the last 2 weeks of the year, you know? This is exactly why.
I don't think it was a question. Maybe it was a statement.
Along with a drop. As a full-time trader, you still need other income streams. Otherwise, you still have a hard time making money in the markets. Yeah, because I mean, if you just quit for trading, you only have one source of income. It's kind of, you can't add pressure to yourself to become to keep that going, right? And as you add pressure in trading, it doesn't really work out because then you'll be more prone to overtrade to make a certain amount, pay your bills in the month and such.
You really make impulsive decisions when it comes to money and needing it, right? So you don't want to be making those impulsive decisions. I noticed and realized that when I was in a need of funds, my decisions were impulsive and a lot less logical, which made them a lot less quality decisions. They weren't as high quality. And objectively, I mean, you'll see it, you know, from the side. Other people will see it. Other decisions.
Below 1790. I'm interested in the stars below 1790. Yeah. I just gotta wait 6 minutes here for a closure. I want to step it close. I got 1689.969. Why is I was blocking when you say the word offline? I don't know, man. I'm allergic to that word too. I don't know what you're doing, bro, but you need to stop stirring the pot up.
He's over there like this. 2 hands on that big ass spoon.
How do you close half positions on T4? Same process, but it just shows like on NT4 when you close a position, like say you got like a 10 lot. When you close half, it's gonna show 5 in your history, and then another 5. On NT5 it shows like 5 out of 10 if you close half, and then it shows 10 once you close full. So it's the same process, I believe. I think because it's been a while, but I'm pretty sure it's the same modify close half. MT4.
Just you know, have a job, do a little fraud on the side, and
you'll be fine.
Yeah, and then
like a GJ.
Just use some of that money to trade. You'll be fine.
Main job every day to pay bills, 2,500 monthly when you can trade 10-15k easy. What do you mean?
When you can trade 10-15k easy, that's when you don't need to have the main job.
Yeah, but don't just base off a month though, you know. You want to see cycles, man. You want to be like, I would say honestly, to be if you want to at least be seeing your income 4x and then be trading for a year straight, and making 4x first. Like, you can't just make 4x in a month and be like, oh yeah, this should be good, because it might, I don't want to say it, but it might be a lucky month. It might just be the market conditions were very easy that month. You gotta be able to do market cycles and being able to see how your emotions will handle when you don't move on certain months to days to you know, versus months when you do move. So
Oh, chat, drop a like to this fucking stream for the patience that we're fucking exhibiting right now, not being in any positions, waiting for these candle closes. Sub to the channel. If you made a bag, donate a bag. Other than that, yo, Asian session continues tonight, 8 p.m. Eastern, live here on YouTube. We will continue the Asian session. Okay, I know everyone hates the weekend, right? Because you guys can't fucking wait for Monday to come, and we hit you with this 2 streams, the 2-a-days, right? You guys love the 2-a-days, Monday through Thursday, 2-a-days, right? So let's do it. You guys were here for the first Forex practice of the day. Now show up 8 p.m. Eastern, right? Tonight we'll be back. Actually, exactly 12 hours from now, we'll be back on. Right? Let's finish off the year strong. Our last trading week of the year. We're actually for both the New York and Asian, and then it's on the January 9th after this week. But yeah, awesome. We will see you tonight. Bring your likes. Asian session sucks. You show rocks though. Okay. We had pretty good volume and liquidity this quarter for an Asian session. Been slaying it.
surprisingly. Surprisingly. Hey chat, 1 minute left. We might get some sells there. We may just get some sells there. Unless he closes no bottom wick. Good luck, soldiers. GJ too, but GJ can't already drove. I guess he drove to 30. Which is fine. None of my business. Tier 11.
Hey.
Tier 2 for 11 months. Let's get it.
She moved out of state and shit that went left. She seeking forgiveness. She used to dance, but she went alone and start up a business.
Ruiz NFTs.
Oh, that's Marcos. I didn't realize that was Marcos. Yo, Marcos. What up, man? What up, man?
Looking like Eminem in the 90s in that picture.
Oh. Okay, you have a closure here. Looks like a nice bottom wick too. So this should be the next 1 hour candle, realistically. As long as it respects the previous 1 hour candle high, it should be able to drive down. But it honestly comes down to
we're not gonna get a top wick here.
The stop, because yeah, stops gonna be wild here. Really, you can't use a 1 hour stop. 1 hour stops are gonna be roughly like 550, but or not 550, 55 pips, right? Target's only like 30 pips. 30-minute stops, can use that as well. Stops are likely going to be 45 pips. 50-minute, can't use that as well. So yeah, we might not get a decent stop here, but let's see. The only way we can get a trader is if you get a top wick. But this 1 hour candle should likely drive down towards 1786 before 9 a.m. Realistically here. But let's see if we can get positions. Let's see. The setup is here, right? The setup is here, but we gotta wait to see if the entry is here.
No, the 15 had no top wick.
The past 350s had no top wick, but the hour candle are both. All good.
And oh, there we go. It's coming up. Looking solid.
Yeah. Let's see. Because we can't even enter the breakout lows. The breakout lows, like that's half your range. Realistically, you probably want to enter on the break of the current lows using your current kind of high. If the 5-minute had a range like something like this earlier, I would be comfortable using the 5-minute top of the range. Like, let's say we entered over here. This is the new hour candle, and this is the top 5 range. I would use that, but it's very tough here. There's no range form there, and then.
Just gotta understand there's massive volume. Look how strong this hourly candle just broke back in range. I wouldn't expect a massive wick. I just expect drive. But it's still expect
Yeah,
some wick.
Yeah, I mean before 9 a.m. should be able to come down like this. 1786, right? Because we're closing back into the range here. Look left, every time you close back into the range, you came down, and you kind of came down and filled this range here, tapping the 1786 mark. So that's what the idea is based off of. As you can see, every time you close back into the range, came back, filled it, came back, filled it, came back, filled it. So this kind of close back into the range should fill it. It's just a matter of how can we get in and how could we have a logical stop here. That's it.
I really wanted to re-break its own high, and then set stops there, and then re-break below.
Yeah, I'll say like 1790 for a top wick, and then have a stop in the breakout lows. That's perfect.
Highly unlikely.
If it breaks the lows first, chat, which it's doing right now, just brace for impact.
Go get my helmet.
Brace for FOMO. Because you guys will definitely have FOMO. But if you can't control your FOMO, you should not be trading. Hit 50% a year. I mean, I made 50% in quarter 4. 50% a year is definitely possible. Definitely possible. Okay, top wick. Yes, sir. Break the highs. Yeah, I honestly just want to see like 1790 or 571. That'd be lovely. Yeah, GJ had to fill the range. That's it. GJ closed above this amount of resistance here, but it's just you have another resistance here. But if you close above 168 now, 451, you should continue up towards 168, 750 very nicely. Yeah, we mentioned buys above 168.024 earlier. No, that's about it. Some of you guys are saying sells here and predicting double tops and double bottoms here, man. Follow the trend till it breaks, man. Trend's your best friend, right? Always focus on coming in first place and let the markets come in second. Because now you're probably holding drawdown here positions, right? As you take sells, you're expecting rejection. And you're taking more entries as you're tapping more levels. This is 10 trades. How many are gonna play out really, right? Realistically. Since we have a steeper bottom wick, should I enter on a flip? Oh, I'm entering the re-breakout lows probably at this point. The re-breakout lows, not the flip. It's an 8 pip difference though. It's a pretty decent chunk, but Breakout lows gives you still a 22 pip range going down. So as long as this top wick doesn't break at 22 pip or doesn't break 22 pips, you should be fine. Should be fine still. Current stop is 13 pips. But it's not really about like how many pips the stop is, chat. It's about the levels we are tapping, right? And if there's like a resistance right around here on price, that's where you're expecting the top wick to be, that resistance. So it doesn't matter if it's 4 or 5 pips. In this case, it's around 18 pips, right? But we're not looking at the pip to determine our stop. We're looking at the lows. In this case, that's your amount of resistance. That's your previous resistance. That's the level we were expecting to tap before you make your way down. And before we can have sell stops. Oh, there you go. Breaking the highs. Yeah, patience, patience, patience. Almost there. You're around 2 pips away from tapping that resistance. You want to see 1790, 497 here. Because right now, stops are going to be around 18 pips. Let's see if we can prepare for this. $17.88, 646. Thing is, like, we may not tap that level and reject. If price comes a little steeper, obviously your stop would be a bit bigger, right? So let's see what it gives us here. I'll start placing sell stops as it starts to flip. If it starts to flip, I can assume then that's gonna be the top wick, because if you place a sell stop now and it just breaks the highs, you can't waste the time, right? It's up to you. But it's gonna have to be the breakout lows for me, so it's gonna have to be down here at the 1788.646 mark. Alright, there we go. You tapped the level officially. So now we just wait to see if we can flip bearish here. But patience paid off. So if you enter positions earlier because you're impatient, you'll see this drawdown now. You'd be like, oh fuck, who knows? Because look, the most logical stop now is the 1 hour high. So price can go all the way up to here, 1794.500, and not break 1795.086 and still be valid to flip at any given point, right? So I can literally do something like this for all we know. That's why we need a logical stop.
I just step away when shit's happening. We don't have to be impulsive. I know there's a whole bunch of people that are stuck in sells right now in drawdown.
Yeah, and the breakout lows. Yeah.
I know it, and I've learned my lesson.
All right, 1788 646 track. That still stops there.
Mm-hmm.
On Blue Bear Markets, it's gonna be 1788.53 on Blue Bear Markets. Okay, 1788.53 on Blue Bear Markets. So that's the breakout lows on Blue Bear. But yeah, it's gonna be the breakout lows. Sell stops are gonna be a current kind of high, which is 1790.860. Stops gonna be around 22 pips. And target's gonna be 1786 on a dot, so 26.
Yeah,
Alright.
I got the same entry on TD. 88.53.
Yeah. Oh, 5-3. Nice. Current count stops, chat. If you break the highs again, I'm probably gonna delete the stops. So don't be impulsive here. Wait for price to actually close.
All right, I'm gonna be back in 15 minutes.
Or flip bearish and break the lows. All right. Don't try to be a hero. Don't enter now. Wait for this thing to actually flip bearish, because until it actually flips bearish and breaks the lows, it won't be valid. Yeah, dip, you said?
I'm back in 15 minutes. I gotta take the old one. It's they got state exams today.
State exams. That sounds intimidating as shit.
Yeah.
Oh, it's like the English test, right?
No, they already had the English part last week. Today's the math part.
Oh, that stuff. Yeah, those exams are great in Canada because every time you did them, you get free gum. I remember those days.
All right, yeah, I'll be back in 15 minutes.
All right. What's the red line for? To show the chat that I got a sell stop. I got a sell stop here. I'm a broker, but on a trading view, it's to show that I got a sell stop. This trade here, chat, is gonna be I believe it's the 1 hour break of the current higher low. Breakout. So 71% off of the breakout. 1 hour 79%, right? So 79%, 71, and then break of the current higher low 73.51. So this trade, 1 hour breakout current higher low, is a 81.25% winning trade for us this year. So let's see if he gets activated. You said Bowser G equals 451. I said above is 168 earlier. Oh yeah. Now, yeah, above here, yeah, because there's a resistance here. Yeah, more buys about 168, 451. That's what I'll wait for. I believe the better play though is to wait for the 1 hour close though, because the 1 hour close is also the 4 hour close, and there's a 4 resistance here. Pretty strong 4 resistance here. But if you close above this resistance at 168, 400. The next 4 candle likely is to pop up towards 168.932. So you should have a decent position if that does happen, but we shall see. 4 or 5 minutes though. It's a long time. Is it good we can trade in December? I've been trading December my whole life. We spoke about this earlier, man. Nothing's wrong in December. Nothing's wrong the first of the month. Nothing's wrong the last of the month. When there's volume, there's volume. You see the volume. You don't gotta predict and guess if there's gonna be volume or not. You see the volume come. You see closures. You see ranges. When there's ranges, you avoid them, obviously, right? Those are days when you have no volume. So you see all these you see all these things. So yeah, December has been going pretty good. December's been one of my best months this year. I think top 5 month. I'll say March, April, June, May, July, and December, I'll say. Those are my top 5 months. What up, Carlo? We might get activated here, chat. We might get activated here. Let me just point out the break-even points for me in case it does drive pretty heavy here, but I'll say 1787, 790 would be the break-even point. At that point, we'll be risk-free, okay? I'll say move it up a little bit up. 757. One. Yeah, that'll be the break-even point if we activate here. You know what should be activated there, right, chat? If you got activated, I don't know what to tell you, man. I don't know what to tell you. You were roughly 3 pips away, man. No shot. Why you emotional? Yeah. How can I make mental value like yours? I don't know what you mean. What do you mean? What's different about Manti 5? Why you call 1 hour play when it stops and enters off the 30? It's off the 1 hour. We wait for a 1 hour closure. The position is a 1 hour close, right? It's a 30-minute stops, yeah, but the 30-minute stops is also the same as a 1 hour stops with the same low. But the entry was us waiting for the 1 hour candle because we wait for ADM close below, right? Makes sense. You can put 30-minute entry as well, but 30-minute entry isn't as clean. There's a support here. It's off of the 1 hour time frame. You can move freely and shit. Yours is like it's up to date. I just play around the settings. I have it on this right here, if that makes sense. Scale fix, turn it on. Not sure to tell you. Not too sure what's different about mine, I'm not gonna lie. What's a good leverage for new traders? 1 to 500. Pretty standard. Leverage is irrelevant, to be honest, if you don't over leverage, right? If you risk 1-2% per trade, you don't need high leverage. But I've always used 1 to 500. Difference is just the winning history. You got winning history too. Almost stopped. What do you mean stop? Hey, brother. You're in. Oh no, yo Nick, you're always in, man. You're always in a position. Comics might get activated. Yeah, the comics activated. That'll be great. Yeah, that'll be lovely. You have about 15 close. The 15 comics kind of close to bullish though. I didn't break the lows, so comics might break the highs, and if it does break the highs, we just delete. So I'll stop. Yeah, all comics does is bring in volume, right? So you can either break the current highs or you can either break the lows and activate us. I wouldn't be surprised if it does go up though, because the 15 did close bullish. The A15 candle. But if you break the 15 lows, that'll be a 15 celery, right? Life. Oh, that's nice. Came out with a W on Friday. Nice. Yeah, I think it did play on Friday, Christian. It did end up coming back up, tapping the target. Yeah. I think I broke the lows first though in the 4H, which is interesting. But yeah, good trade though. Good analysis. Ideal is there, right? Ideal is still vast, still there. It happens a lot of times though, where we get stopped out, but the ideal ends up playing out still. Yeah. Good stuff though. Good stuff. You know what, Jin? You know what it is, man? It might be his arrow up here. You can drag his arrow. Take the arrow and drag it right to the middle. Like chart shift line, and drag that right to the middle of the chart. And then from there, it'll look like mine. Yo, Carlo, man, your team Croatia won. I wanted vengeance on Japan, man. I really want a vengeance on Japan. Good luck though. Oh, sorry, bro. Like Japan. Yeah, unfortunately, they play against your team, so yeah, I was might see a back-to-back World Cup final presence. Comics open? Yeah, you just had it. Yeah, what the 5 count, dude? Just popped up, right? Yeah. Didn't break the highs just yet. I'll say if our target is what's the target? 1786, 24. I mean, as long as it doesn't surpass 24 pips, it should be fine still. Because the trade is still valid. It breaks the highs. It's just a current kind of high, right? But the last thing you want to do is have a stop loss in the 1 hour high. Then you're risking like 60 pips for like a 20 pip target, right? It's kind of tough. But this is still valid. Comes down to just RR, right? And there's no other stop we can use, really. But if we're breaking 1 hour highs here, a high chance that you might see the 1 hour candle go all the way up until, I don't know, maybe 1792. 1792 still. Hungry, chat. I'm hungry. TT? Where's TT? We're missing TTK, Nav, MM. No, our usual squad. We need some new mods, man. A lot of these mods are inactive, huh? How does that sound, chat? New mods for the year ends? Don't wake up, TT. Didn't take your morning coffee. And I stopped drinking coffee months ago. Yeah. I gotta hit the gym after the stream though. You take Adderall? Nah. I don't, bro. I'm just water, bro. Water and Gatorade. That's all I drink. Gatorade when I play hockey, water when I just live life. Alright? What kind of question? If you have to take Adderall trade, though, tell me how the experience is. I wanna know. I wanna know what your mind is going through. Starts on the flip. Oh, the flip, yeah, it's valid. Yeah, the flip is valid, but I want to enter in the breakout lows because they kind of opened up, it created a low here, so I believe it has to break the lows in order for this thing to be valid because they already flipped bearish earlier, right? I think it flipped twice already at this point. It flipped twice and it never drove. So I believe this breakout lows is very powerful because it's a current candle breakout lows, and if you break the low, you see this kind of just start to head down towards 17.5 pretty strongly. This 5-minute candle close is lovely, man. Lovely. I'll take a 1 lot sample size trade here. What do you think about news about closing FX by 2026? Wait, what news? How is FS closing by 2026? What do you mean? There's no way. We're gonna start using currencies by 2026. It's only in 3 years. When you come close to 4, would you rather wait for the 4? Yeah, I would. But probably not until like 8:45. But we have some time. Where people get this information, man, they get them up. I don't know, man. They wake up one day and be like, do you think Forex will be around in 2026? I don't know, man. All I know is that you have a closure below here, and if this thing breaks the lows, we should get activated and we should be driving down towards our next support level. I don't know. I don't think for the future. I think for the now. When it comes to trading, I plan for the now, not ahead. Now. But where'd you hear that news? Because you said that as if there was official news that dropped or something. And man, I don't know, man. I don't know where you get the information from. But you gotta send that information my way. I highly doubt it though, man. I'm pretty sure FX will be here for a very long time. A very, very long time, man. Even my whole lifetime. I don't know, chat. Oh, I'm pretty sure we'll be here for a very long time. People take it as news. Oh, it is news. Breaking news. What is Ted's Instagram? Stats in the charts. You're funny, man. Hey, friends are Roger Banks. He's my best friend. Brother from another mother. Yo, can we get after here, chat, or what? What's going on here? 5 would that 5 and sample size entry would have been bad. That would have given you 7 pips. Break even on the flip probably at this point on the 5 entry. Not too bad. Not too bad. And that 5 should make its way down. 15-minute just closed there. 30-minute just closed there. 30-minute closed doji, so nothing happened. 1 hour candle still open. Wouldn't be surprised. Start to drive. Yeah, your grip together. What is your range 2? My range 2 is, I got it right here. I had a range, I guess you can say this is range 1 over here. And then below here is range 2. The 4 broke the lows, right? Or not the 4, they broke the lows today anyways. Right? They already broke the lows earlier. So that was another idea as well. 4 no top wick, they broke the lows. Technically the bias is bearish today. Technically. Like today for both buys and sells, I implemented the whole range 1, range 2 thing. What do you say? Phew. Oh, we might get activated here, chat. Phew. Maybe we might just get activated here. Maybe. Close. Very close. Didn't get activated yet. I got 1788.53 on Blueberry Markets. Okay, on Blueberry Markets, not on, you know, FXCM, not on FX Choice, on Blueberry Markets. So if your level, like, just kind of compare and contrast to your broker. It's kind of hard, I know, different broker prices and such, but it's the break of the current low. Okay, so wherever that is in your broker, it could be 4.5 on your broker, who knows, but on my broker it's 5.3 on Blueberry Markets. That's one I got activated. Of course you did, man. Of course you did. Y'all got activated. Man, that 5 sample size entry was pretty sturdy, man. Pretty sturdy. It was around right here, right? This 5 candle. Wow. Nice. Pretty good. And next year will be wild, chat. Next year will be interesting. Very interesting year for us. How do you set up your own broker? You need some money first, and then you need a LP. Not as complicated. It's not as complicated as you think, to be honest. Set up your own broker. You need funds first, though. Depends what kind of broker you want, too. There's different variants of brokers, right? I'm not an expert, so I'm just gonna shut up. I don't have a broker. With an LP, liquidity provider. LP. What do you think about a trader who have his own broker? I mean, you can't lose, man. You just can't lose, right? Can't lose. So I don't know. I got no comment. Blueberry is regulated though, chat. This broker right here I'm using, it's regulated broker, so can't really fake much, man. All right, man. Can we get activated here? Because chat, if we don't get activated here in 9 minutes here by 11 minutes by 8:45, then we just can't delete the self stop, and then we'll wait for the 9 a.m. candle closure, right? The 4 close and 9 a.m. closure, and then we'll have positions probably at 9:15, 9:30, maybe 9 a.m. Rarely, but yeah. So the 4 counts and close are great and lovely here. If the 4 count ends up closing below the support here in about 24 minutes, then this 4 candle would be considered a range 1 fake out. If that's a range 1 fake out, I would expect price to, because the day bias is bearish here, right? If we close bearish like this, with the day bias being bearish, I wouldn't be surprised if the next 4 count just starts to head down and starts to tap these levels to the left hand side, which is going to be anywhere in this zone here. So 1785 to 1783 should be your next target if you do close below in 24 minutes here. And 9 a.m. should be pretty simple and straightforward. But we shall see. There's only 2 ways I'll delete the self stops here. If you break the lows, or sorry, if you break the highs, or if it comes to 8:45. Those are my only 2 options. You can't trade gold on a regular US broker. It doesn't. You can't trade from the US. Didn't really break the highs. Yeah, but it didn't break the 1 hour highs. It's still valid. The highs being broken here doesn't mean anything. It just comes down to RR after that, right? But that trade idea, the setup is still valid. In this case, the R is still here. It's still a 25 pip stop for a 25 pip target. It's still a 1-to-1 on the break of the highs, right? It can literally come break the highs and still flip bearish as long as it respects the 1 hour high, because that's the trade it's being taken on. This is the candle we're looking at. Closure back into the range, right? But if it breaks the highs again, the reason why I say again is because if it breaks the highs here before the 9 a.m. closes here, it'll probably drop up further. And at that point, it won't be a 1-to-1. And then therefore, I'll just wait for the 9 a.m. candle. Stop loss hit. What do you mean? We never broke the lows. Yeah, regulation doesn't really matter, to be honest. Like regulated brokers versus non-regulated brokers doesn't really matter. You see what happened with FTX over the years. Regulated, unregulated, man. Your money's never safe, realistically. Oh, so yeah, you get activated on TD Wicks or not?
Nope. Sell stop still active. 1788.53.
Yeah, he gave you guys your points. His sell stop on TD. I gave mine on Blueberry Markets.
I gave it to you guys before I left. They're clearly still active.
Romancing. Gotta run the fades. Oh yeah. Alright. One more time.
And try to get to 5K before the week's out. Can we do that? Can we do that, chat? 500 more subs. And we have 5K.
Yo, chat, I made it very clear earlier. Like if you're gonna place yourself, like I mentioned 5 through my broker on Blueberry, but I told you guys like make sure you compare to your broker. It's the breakout lows on your broker, right? And in this case, you never broke the lows. You just never broke the lows yet on Blueberry, even, right? So like you should not be activated. And I believe on Owanda too. Like it never broke the lows on Owanda as well. Like if I'm not wrong here. Yeah, Owanda didn't even break the lows too. Right? So there's no excuse. You probably just manually entered. Didn't break the lows in your urge. Just pick your order. I see. Are you on FX? Are you on FTMO or MFF? Ooh, didn't break the highs just yet.
The lows just took the order. You got some shit going on.
FTMOK. Oh damn, that's some war. That's some war fighting words right there, bro.
Owanda did activate. No, didn't. We're on Owanda watching it. Never broke the lows.
Thanks for streaming. No worries, no worries. I'm mad hungry today, man. This is the 6th time I mentioned that.
Yeah, but in this case, if the spread widens, it goes up, right? Market price doesn't drop. So even with spread widening, right, as it gets down close to it, the market price doesn't drop. And on sells, you get activated at market price, not spread price. There's no way spreads can get you here. Market price can get you, and market price doesn't change with spread. The spread price does. So on sells, that doesn't make sense. If we were in buys, maybe the spread could have got you. On sells, the spread could not have gotten you. Jax, you didn't get activated with spread. It had to have broke the lows. Yeah, if it broke the lows, then you got activated. But if it didn't break the lows, you can't get activated with spread here. Guess I'm just hallucinating, ON, as I'm looking at my trade. I don't know what you guys did, but I'm like, I don't know. If it broke the lows while I was gone, no end, then it did. I don't know. Did it re-break the lows, Don, as you were live streaming?
No, but I could break the lows right here.
No, I go to Amanda.
Oh no, it didn't. It did not. The lows were
yeah, right here. How did you get activated on Amanda?
The lows were.
You said I got activated on Amanda, so you just got in earlier.
Look, the lows were right here, man. And this is where it came up to. It matters. It matters. Spread matters. I still got stop here, chat. I haven't deleted them just yet.
That's a whole nother.
Oh, here we go.
7 to 8 pip spread on Oanda. That's crazy.
Yes, so Oanda has big spreads. Oh, here we go. Might get activated here. Almost. Give it a second. Not yet. Oh, hold your horses. Hold your horses. Hold your horses.
Gotta miss.
We broke the lows, right? But we moved. Our stop loss is below the breakout lows, right? It's 5-3 on Blueberry. I didn't move it since. It's a little below.
You need a sound where the audience goes
Shit.
Exactly.
You know, I'm so glad I do this live, man, because if I didn't do this live, you know the chat be like, yo, Don, you a capper, like, bro. You a liar. Just like you and your record, shit, you're a fucking liar. All right, here we go. For the third time here, chat. Can we get
And then you need a cheering sound. So
for the fourth time. Can we get activated here?
I'm not in yet.
Almost. Wait, for the fifth time. Almost. You know your close man shows green, right?
This damn wall's gonna break at some point. It keeps tapping it. It's gonna break.
There we go.
Like banging at a wall with a hammer right here.
3.
It's gonna break it.
2. 1.
Hit it one more time. Hit it. I dare you. Hit it one more time. It shatters.
Yeah, I didn't break the lows.
We should have side bets on if it breaks this time or next time.
Well,
side bet Forex. Anyone?
Well, chat, at this rate. Oh, where's my chart? Oh, almost for the 6th time. And 7th time. Here it goes. 3. Not yet. Well, yeah, chat. It's 8:45. So at this point, I'm gonna go ahead and delete the sell stop. And we tried. We waited. We were patient. Unfortunately, it never activated us. So now, since it's the last 15 candle of the 4-hour candle, you would want to wait for the 9 AM closure here now, right?
Yo, everyone activated right now is fucking punching air.
Yeah, I gave you guys a blueberry stop. I don't know what to tell you before the trade was even taken. But hey, it was close. It came 6 times to it, but unfortunately, blueberry spreads are undefeated.
Yeah, we ran out of time. We didn't lose. We ran out of time.
No, yeah, you can leave them if you want to, chat. It's still valid here, but I'm gonna wait for the 4-hour close now, because my rule of thumb today, or the rule that I put in place, was I'm waiting for, if it comes down to 8:45, we're deleting. I said that right at 8 AM, and unfortunately, it didn't activate by 8:45. So 8:45, you would follow up your intentions. So now we wait for the 4-hour close, and if you somehow got in some way, somehow, some shape, some form, man, then free you, man, free you. Good luck, soldier.
Here's the thing. Historically, right? We know the 4-hour pulls back in the last 15 minutes to leave a wick. So they're not saying
Oh,
that it
15 had no
can't
bottom wick
drive
too.
here. It might drive here. The thing is, if the 4-hour pulls up, and now the 15, ooh, the 15's closed with no bottom wick.
Yep. Pull back for the forge.
We might end up just pulling back for hey, but you still can't close impulsively, right? You can manage risk depending on where it closed, but you shouldn't close impulsive. Look at that, the 30 never broke either. You almost had a 30.
And this makes perfect sense too, because look, if this is the 4 or low here, right, and the 30-minute had no bottom or 15 no bottom wick, and this is the last 15 of 4-hour, it makes perfect sense for it to pull back. Perfect sense. But honestly, if you activate, how I'll manage it is probably just I'll wait for this 4-hour close. To be honest, I'll see if it closes below or above. Yeah, if it closes above this range, I would just manage this at 9 a.m. If it doesn't, I just let it rock.
You can close out if it closes above there and just wait for it to close below again, because you have no guarantee that it will. But once it does, then you can hop on again, probably at a minimum loss, but you'll win much more eventually in that trade once it does close below. But if it closes below now, then you might as well leave it open, because the higher time frames are in your favor, right? And they speak volumes. So just at that point, you'll have to put your trust in the higher time frame. But if you're not in overall, then at this point it just makes sense to stay out and let the 4-hour close.
Yeah, that's his experience too. If you go back to the stream when I said I was gonna place a sell stop earlier, we mentioned the levels that we were kind of saying earlier. I think at 8 a.m. What did I say? On Blueberry Markets, it's gonna be 1788.53. Yeah, how did I know where that was exactly though? That's crazy. On Blueberry Markets, okay? 1788.53 on Blueberry Markets. Yeah, that's the breakout lows on Blueberry. Yeah, it's gonna be the breakout lows. Sell stops are gonna be a current kind of high, which is 1790.860. Stops gonna be around 22 pips.
Like, I don't want to hear shit. It's all right there. Like, I don't want to hear people complaining. It's all given out.
And then it was, and then it was right here too. Right? And it was right here too. It was right here too. And then it was right there for the last 4 or 5 minutes. Didn't touch it. I touched it when you guys were looking.
At like 8:15. True, 45 minutes.
I tell you, man. Hey, I'm hungry as shit though. Give me a second, chat. Hold on.
God damn it. You guys think he's going to the fridge? He's not going to his own fridge. He's going to Tim Hortons' fridge.
Be patient here. 10 minutes.
He's leaving his house. He's walking out the front door right now as we speak. It's hijack stream time. Yo, how are you not going to let Keelan speak and just leave? That's grimy. Yo, come back. I'm gonna come back. Okay, hold on, I can't do shit about you not speaking. L. Damn. He didn't even see you. He probably didn't see you. Oh, good though. At this time in Canada, he gonna be like in in like 30 minutes in Tim Hortons. No, he gets it out the back door. He's got a TH Connect. Light one up. The Wix 12 is over there watching cartoons. I can't light one up here. But I just, yeah, TH Tim Horton himself. Yeah, he's got a little barista standing outside his front door, just stirring shit up. You sent for me? Tonight's stream, Asian session? Yes, absolutely. We're right back to Asian tonight. Guys, sell now. I command you. No, we are waiting for 4-hour close. Wix, we don't consider spreads on sells, or do you put sells a little below? No, you don't. There's no. You get activated. You don't get activated on spread price. You can consider spread when you're closing out the trade, right? When you're closing out your sell, then you can consider spread because you'll get closed out on your spread price, not your sell price. But on a sell, you get activated on sell price, not spread price. Asian last night, lots of volume. Yeah, probably.
Why didn't you stream?
Because that would be going against my principle. I got family time on Sundays.
You can watch Weird Mills another time.
No, we don't. I can't watch that with my kids. You crazy? Some ratchet shit in there.
A tarantula.
Dad, what's wrong with his balls? Like,
Yo, I read that as, are you on a student account? Oh my god. No,
my number one pupil.
I'm on a direct account on Blueberry. Direct ECN. So the smallest of the smallest spreads. Yeah, if you have to get an L there, like it wasn't really an L for you though, because like it never like broke the lows.
What was his broker? Did he say what his broker was?
Pardon? I'm not too sure.
That's one.
That's one.
Oh, it's dead. Fuck.
Reach 10K in your main account. What do you mean, my broker or like followers? What do you mean?
I think he's talking about money. Like, how long did it take you to get $10,000?
I blew like 20 accounts before I even deposited a 5K account. The biggest deposit was a 5K when I first started, like ever. But I was after blowing 20 accounts, like all at once. 5K, that was the most I ever deposited. But that was it.
Damn, took 11 trades.
It is true. Blew 4 accounts this year. Hey, chat, let me know down below how many accounts you guys blew this year. It's okay if you blew accounts too. It's part of trading. It's part of the game. You play this game called Forex. You will blow accounts. You will donate money to the markets. But eventually, the markets will slowly pay you back. But you gotta donate first. But make sure you know where you're donating it first, though. A little bit of donation to the over-leveraged funds. A little bit of donation to the over-trading funds. Over time, they'll start to pay you back slowly. You know, in one day, all the money you donated to the markets, they'll pay you back in one payout. In one trade. Blew 3 this year? Come on, Felix. That's fine. Yeah, I'll blew like 20 in 1 year. Look. This thing is driving now, right? All the people that were complaining earlier about like, oh, they activated me. Now you're gonna be the type of guy that's gonna say, oh, I'm not gonna lie, but I just closed full here at 20-30 pips. I'm not in no chat. But if obviously if we're in, we'll be activated by now, I'm pretty sure. Obviously, right? But I'm not in. I might try to take. NGL, look, here we go. First is negative. First is all like, oh yeah, I got activated, but like, fuck, I hate my broker. Now it's like, oh, I'm not gonna lie, Don, I just made blah blah. These are emotional, man. Too emotional for my liking. Why didn't you enter? Brother, do you have me on mute? Do you watch the stream on mute, bro? I literally said at 8 a.m. I got self stops there, and I would delete the self stops if 8:45 comes, and we don't get activated. When I hit 8:45, I said I'm deleting self stops because it's 8:45. You got me on mute? Nah. Nah. You got me on mute, man. You're gonna unmute me. You're gonna unmute me. Unmute me. I don't want to talk a lot, but unmute me, bro. I swear it's valuable information. KLT Forex? I've used them. They weren't bad. They're better than Hugo's Way, I can say that. But they weren't better than I think the best US broker I've came across was FX Choice. I think that was a broker that had a 1 in 200 leverage. And you can trade gold. Oh no, I lied. No, I take that back. Sorry, I take all that back. The best US broker I've traded on was Trader's Domain. But after that was FX Choice. But yeah, Trader's Domain, cool broker. Hey, you have 4 minutes left, chat, or 2 minutes left. If you close bearish here in about 2 minutes on the 4 hour here, this is gonna be lovely for the next 4 hour candle in about a minute and a half. Lovely. Yeah, exactly. You have to actually listen to the stream to get the info. You can't just copy the trades forever. At some point, you gotta learn how it's done. Exactly. You gotta know how it's done, because then you can do it on your own time, whenever you want, whatever session you want, whatever pair you want. You'll feel much better. Trust. It's okay to copy when you're first starting off. Over time, you want to know how it's done. You can't be comfortable with just copying. You can't just rely on me. You gotta be able to rely on yourself. Q-Bank's putting on KLT? Yeah, Q-Bank's putting on KLT too. When I bought his course. Actually, no, when I bought his course, he didn't have KLT by then. He had KLT in 2019, 2018, I think. Yeah. I lied. No, yeah, no, he did have KLT. No, he did have KLT in 2019, right? He did. Yeah, I think after I bought his course, I saw KLT on his Instagram or something. So 28 seconds for a closure. Let's see if we can get a closure or a pullback here. Nice 5-minute range. 4, 3, 2, and 1. So how much did that candle drop on the breakout lows there? What, it came down 13 pips. Nice. Yeah, I mean, you still have range going down here, chat. On the 4 hour candle, you have range going all the way down towards, let's see. So this 4 hour candle had a resistance here, and you closed back into the range. I'm looking at targeting 1782 for the 4 hour candle. 1782. There's a minor support at 1785, so we gotta be aware of that. But overall, we should finish off at 1782 because you're breaking back into this range here. All right, there's a resistance here. There's a support here, and if this candle here once closed above, now not closing back into the range, that candle indicates that we have volume to drive price down to fill the range. So you have plenty of levels here you can take advantage of. As for positions though, new 4 kind of opened up, so obviously gotta wait for a bottom wick, but or a top wick, sorry, but thankfully this 30-minute candle period stop isn't too bad, but it's just your levels here. You have a strong support at 1786, so you gotta be aware of that. It really depends where you're targeting. If you're targeting like 1782, you can probably have an advantage point at 1786. At that point, moves out to break even off the 4 hour. So it's gonna be like a 4 hour trade, realistically, using the 1 hour stops or 30-minute stops. That's gonna be the idea behind it. How big is the stop again? 32. Target was around Yeah, 30, 44-ish, I'll say. Let me see. Let's see. 30 is all clean. 30 1 hour all clean. It's just really waiting for the top wick on this 4-hour candle. I'll say the whole idea is the 4-hour candle, right? That's it. And the 1 hours, yes, clean too.
A little wobble
Wow,
on the 1 hour.
1788.
Yeah, 1788.62.
Most recent resistance. How big are stops? Yeah. It's only the first 3 minutes of this 4-hour candle, but the thing with this is that using that previous 3-minute stop, right? If you're using current candle stop, I'll be waiting for a steeper top wick, but realistically, the breakout is lowest here would be valid still for sell stops.
11 pip stops here.
11 pip using current candle.
No, I'm having previous break of the previous.
I was looking at the previous 30. It was
Yeah,
around
right
30.
here
It was
it says
around
breaking.
33. Yeah. Wow, GJ closed above too. GJ closed above too here, chat. Closed above 168. 400 here. It has all that range going up towards the 168, 861. Not too bad. GJ's cleaner too. Both pairs are really realistically very cleaner. Very clean on both pairs. But GJ has the same issue as gold. It's a new 4-hour candle, and you're trying to figure out stops on GJ. But it has a 4-1 pit range going up. Not too bad. How big is the breakout lows here? 30 pips. 1 hour stop. 3-minute stop. 35. How do I fix US30 Mediterranean? What do you mean fix US30? US30 cannot be fixed.
What's to add?
We're gonna have sell stops there on the break of the lows on gold. Well, I'm gonna see if I can place them on time. Probably half lot this time though, not a full lot. Because stops are a little wider. Sell stops at 1787.19.
Just want a rebreak of this current candle, high. That'd be great.
Like 1718.17. On Blueberry Markets. Yeah, I got sell stops your chat. 1718.17. So it's gonna be the break of the current lows. All right. Current lows, stops gonna be the previous 3-minute highs, and target is gonna be around I put it down here towards 1783.260. But it's a 4-hour trade, right? We're just using the 3-minute stops, which is also the 1-hour stop too, basically. Yeah. You want to rebreak at highs? You think you're about to get it?
Yeah. If once it rebreaks its highs, I'm gonna put a sell stop. Because it broke the lows, right? Now it didn't have enough liquidity to drive, according to my logic, once it broke the lows. So now it needs more liquidity. So it's got to rebreak the highs to grab those orders above it, right? For more liquidity. Because these orders didn't do it. So I think, boom, did we rebreak the highs? Yeah, we see we just rebroke the highs on the brokers. Now I would set a sell stop because now we're grabbing orders above where we did before, and those orders couldn't drive. So now if we come back down and re-break the lows, it would make complete sense to drive now. So
Yep. China, you do have a nice advantage point here too. So
oh yeah, talk about that.
if we get activated here, we'll just honestly move stocks to break even at the bottom of the range, 1786, because you break the lows here, you have nowhere to go really, but down towards the support level. But that level is when we'll be risk free and break even. Cool. But this is valid. This is valid. You can have a current 4-hour stop too if you want, if you'd like. I'm using the previous 30-minute stops here in this case, which is going to be 1780 or 1790.838. 848 is the stops. Yeah.
Yeah, if we reject off here, I'm grabbing all these orders now and re-break the low. There's no previous candle to break. It should drive down, fill the range. Another thing that the range isn't that massive here, but we have an advantage point, right? We go break even, risk off the table, you secure the bacon and let it rock. And in some instances, it works out very well because your advantage point just gets smashed. Then just, she's a runner, she's a track star.
Download the play. That's something for real, for real, for real. It works out very well. Good. Take advantage of it. Yeah. RP little baby. What?
What?
Trolling. Yeah, you're trolling. You are trolling, my friend.
Stop the cap. Chat's like RIP everyone now.
These bitches always want something from me. It's way different every time it's me and you.
Ooh, can we get activated here? Yo, are you using current count stop books or what?
Yeah.
18 pip current count stop versus a previous count stop for 35. How I'm gonna do probably, I'm just gonna use a previous 30-minute stop and use this resistance here as a risk management tool.
The thing is, if we can come back up and re-break the highs, we're gonna be making a steeper 4-hour break, right?
Yeah.
Don't know where that is on the 4-hour, but I don't think we're going there. We broke the previous 4-hour low on the broker. I believe once it breaks, it should just drive down. But for us to start managing risk and drawdown, we would have to see some bullish closures back above. $1787.11. That's where my sell stop is on TD. If I get fired, Joe, we all in? What?
What's the sell stop price in your broker? It's on my screen, man. 1787.17. It's right here. 1787.17. I told you guys earlier. Open up your ears, you know. I know I talk quick, but open up your ears. Is it true drawdown causes dandruff? Yeah, man, you be itching your head. No, I think you know what causes dandruff, bro? That head and shoulder tool. That causes a lot of dandruff.
That's a funny ass question.
Yo, Keelan, what happened to your monthly thing, bruh? Where did your thing go? Bro, your mic is bad. Oh, I'm sorry. I'm sorry my mic is bad, man. I'm so sorry. I'm sorry I don't sound like this.
Mike done fucked it up, yo. Fucked up your mic.
Buy stop still stops for news here.
Yo, pass me a mango.
You know? Bro. Do it for the algo? What algo? How to trade order blocks 2022. If I make a video like that, chat, will you guys watch that video? Do you know how much viewers I would have if I made a video called How to Trade Order Blocks 2023? If I release that in January, do you know how much viewers we'll have? The thing is, I don't want those viewers though. You know how those viewers, it may be good for the video, but won't be good for the stream. We'll bring in a completely different audience, and I guarantee you they won't be around because they're trading order blocks and I don't trade order blocks. Where's your trade? Right here. Right here. I gotta self stop. Okay. Yeah, GG is valid. It's just you're trying to figure out stops on the 4-hour candle, but this is clean. It's clean till 168.869 here on GJ. GJ is clean. It closed above this range here, right? So closes above this range, has all this traffic to drive up, and look left. You're likely gonna mirror this candle to the left hand side. I would not be surprised. Yeah, we wanted to buy as above like 168 earlier, but it kind of drove without us closing. So it filled that range, and then we waited for this range afterwards, and now it's closing above this range. So this is clean, 100% clean. But I'm looking at gold right now. Yeah, buy stuff on GJ Wicks.
No, GJ, no. Although if it breaks that previous scandal low and then drives up, looking solid. It breaks the previous hourly and then comes up.
Is it
all right, chat? Yo, round 2.
All right, round 2.
Can we get activated? And let's see.
Justin Bieber in the chat. Justin Bieber, what's up, man? Justin Bieber in the chat. Yo, first I had The Rock that watched our stream. Now you got Justin Bieber supporting our stream, bro. And W Justin Bieber, bro.
Word. If Michael Jackson doesn't get the fuck up out of his fucking grave and make it onto the stream, I'm gonna be extremely disappointed. Again, everybody.
Yo, Justin Bieber just said my name. We all watch you, Donvo. How are you moving Medtrade so freely? I read that as, why are you moving Medtrade so freakily? It's so freaky up and down. I was gonna question my existence on this stream just now. Why am I moving so freely? Because I am the market maker. No, it's called it's called chart shift and scale fix. How big is the stop on GJ? Not bad. 19 pips. Ooh, that's more like 10 pips, really. Realistically. That's clean, my friend. Gold came close
All I'm saying
again.
is GJ has cleaner range.
Why aren't you taking it?
Hmm? How do you know I'm not taking it?
Don't leave it out as. What do you mean? Yo, just take it, chat. If you think it's valid, take it. I'm just locked in a gold, but nothing's wrong with GJ at all. You can definitely still take it. Nothing wrong with it.
Well, few things, but nothing but a few things. But if you guys want, you can take it.
Dom, that's also active. What do you want me to do about it, man? What do you want me to do about it? Did you count for spreads? I don't know what to tell you. I really don't know what to tell you. I think it came at most because we the moment discount closed bullish is when we entered the sell stops, right? So the closest it got was maybe 3 pips away. Like, bruv.
Yeah, like,
if you have a bigger spread broker, maybe, but like again, like I give you guys a sell stop to break out lows. I don't know what to tell you.
I think on GJ we're at right at a hourly resistance for me.
With the higher time frame.
Yeah, but I know the higher time frame closed, but until I'll see it happen on the smaller time frame of us starting to break back above, take advantage of it. But I'm not if the just 4 hour just starts flipping, not in there.
Me, kidding me? How you got shit on me? You got shit on me. Huh? Yo, Wix, where you from again?
Right near the beach, boy.
Nah, from New York. Where you from again?
Originally, I was born in Ukraine.
No.
Who's Wix9? The fucking host of the Asian Session live streams, bitch. Now join. Be there 8 p.m. Eastern tonight. You can hate on there. We love the trolls and haters. Come through. You're good for the algo. It's awesome. If you aren't hating, sorry, but still come through.
We playing my records on stream. I do all the time, man. I do all the time. Mistletoe. It's almost Christmas, chat. 12 days till Christmas. What are you guys doing for Christmas, chat?
He's definitely not coming now. Why not? I love it when people come in and talk. I don't care what they say, as long as they're fucking communicating, as long as there's interaction. The interactions are good for the algo.
Yes. Below accounts and stuff, you know. Huh? Hey. I'm in Thailand. Yo, another Thai. Yo, can you guys send me over some pad Thai? I'm craving pad Thai right now.
I like some good quality pad Thai. I don't like that flimsy shit though. Not everyone makes a good pad Thai. You know Donval makes a good pad Thai. You ever seen his fucking bone marrow?
How am I still coughing? It's been like a month. I'm pretty sure I had COVID, chat. I think I'm just asymptomatic or something. That's possible, right?
You're fucking coughing, so that's not asymptomatic. That's
yeah, but like I didn't have no, like I didn't feel like
coughing,
when I had COVID, I didn't feel like I was sick. I was nothing, like nothing. If I had COVID, it was just the aftermath of the cough. So what do I have then? Like, how am I still coughing? It's been a month.
There's something going around. My kid's been coughing for like 3 years. No, literally for the last 2 months, everyone's coughing. Everyone I know has been coughing. You know, turn this up or what? I'm staying.
You're in Bangkok? Ooh.
I want to show the nation my appreciation. Hey, stop loss matters. Hey. Deal.
What up? That's so matters.
Wagwan, my youth. I'm your lost son. God forbid. Yo, I don't want to have kids I don't know about.
God forbid. I know kids I don't know about. Yeah, Star Wars' name is Max. Max and Ruby. Well, my name was Ruby.
we stick to Donvo. We'd be like, look, Ruby, I know you like your name, but Donvo just works better. Let's just stick to Don.
What if my name was Ruby,
You
chat?
can call yourself Ruby on the weekend. Weekdays are for Don.
What my name was Baljeet from Phineas and Ferb. You watch that?
Nope.
You kids probably did.
Nope. Mr. Lover.
You have any buys on Jiu-Jitsu? No, I have nothing. I only have gold right now. I only have one stuff on gold. That's it. Mr. Bombastic. I've been living here since 2 weeks and I love it. Hey, I need to get out the trenches too, man. I need to get out of Canada. I need to go on a little vacation. I need to go somewhere hot and warm and watery.
Right near the beach, boy.
Yeah, I
Come
need to go. I want to go. I need to go on a trip. I'm thinking of January, man. I might go somewhere in January. So I want to go to Japan next year.
Ooh, that's a good one.
Around like April or something. But I want to go on a pre-trip.
Japan's a good one. No, pre-trip. You don't come to the U.S.
No, I'm not going to the
vacation,
U.S. I want to go to visit. I might go to Tulum or something. No.
Yeah, like that. Yeah, fuck the U.S. Just
Didn't you go somewhere recently in Miami? The Keys or the Honda Civic, whatever it's called.
Honda Civic.
What's it called?
No, there's an island. It's called Buy a Honda.
Oh, buy a Honda Civic.
It's literally called that. It's
buy
called
a Honda.
No, it's not buy a Honda. That's not how you spell it.
Bro.
It's said like that, but it's like this here.
Yo, Vietnam won't be a vacation for you. Vietnam
This
for
is
me would
what
just
it's
be
like.
visiting
Right
like
there.
everyone. Buy a Honda.
That's
Buy a
right.
Honda. Like, I'm like, Wix, where'd you go? I went to go buy a Honda. I'm like,
I knew where that conversation was headed as soon as I said it.
do we have YouTube and Justin Bieber in chat? Yes, sir. Most importantly, though, you know who we have in chat? We have Leo Bernazzoli.
Yeah, because that name it's Bernazzoli. You know, you can't fuck it up.
Bernazzoli.
And then if you see it, every time you see it, I hear that voice in my head. It's like Bernazzoli. I feel like someone, like a mobster's calling him from across the room. Get Bernazzoli in here.
Bernazzoli. Bernazzoli. Right there. That was it.
Oh, shit.
I don't know who that is. The Weeknd? Yo, The Weeknd. Yo, we had Justin Bieber, The Weeknd, and YouTube in the chat, and Michael Jackson, bro. Yo, this stream is too famous. My favorite Viet dish, bún bò ấy. Can you take these as signals?
Don't be cursing on the stream.
I'm not
man.
cursing,
That
bro.
boy
That's
cursed
a
half
dish.
the stream out. Homeboy. Like, what? Homie, called somebody an asshole.
Ah, man. This is the 7th time we've been close to getting activated here.
For about an hour and a half at this fucking price point.
Well, I think that first position would have hit break even for you guys, right, chat? I'm pretty sure. I would have hit break even there. Yeah, I definitely hit break even by now. So. I want to play hockey later. Should I play hockey later?
Should play hockey now.
Play hockey
If
over a weekend.
If it didn't happen on stream, did it really happen? Like if you took your trade off stream and hit massive runners overnight, did it really happen?
Didn't happen on stream. That means it didn't happen. Can't speak about it.
I won't hear nothing about hockey talk. If it didn't happen on stream, didn't happen. Wasn't me.
Do you know GS? I don't know what that is. Like, yeah, chat. If you guys don't stream with me, should leave like for this untradeable day today. Hey, thank you, bruv. Thank you, bruv.
Wasn't me. Wasn't me. Wasn't me. Wasn't me. Zesty? That's a good word, zesty.
Voice is so zesty. You know what that means? Oh wait, we got activated here.
The Lieber said it.
Oh wow, chat. Yeah, we got activated here. We got activated here. I didn't even realize. When did we get activated? Just now?
It dropped quickly.
Yeah, we got activated here, chat. Price came down, tapped the BE point. This reminds me of Friday. It came down,
like
tapped.
Last time, right?
It got activated very quickly. Wow, I didn't see. I did not even see. How quick was that? Like I wasn't even looking at my. I wasn't even looking at the charts. I want to see what happened there. But yeah, I guess we got activated there. Yeah, I guess we got activated there. Let me just. So yeah, we got some sells there. Stops were the previous kind of high, 30-minute kind of high, which was around 36 pips. Target was down here for around 39. But yeah, wow, we came down and tapped our break-even point. So if you guys were preparing that situation, stops break even, right? But I obviously wasn't looking. But there. Damn, what happened? I was not looking. Oh yeah, no way I would have like been able to react in time.
That's a good word, zesty.
Actually, maybe, yeah. Wix is so it's fine. It's fine. You move stops to break even, Wix?
No,
I wasn't even aware. I wasn't even expecting it to like really activate like that. Drive down. You close directly. Nice, good stuff. Good stuff. Yeah.
Getting confidence from Beebs.
You had that advantage point, right? Now the thing is like now the advantage point got kind of filled. You came down, you tapped that level. That was the advantage point, just that support there. So I mean, I still got it running, but let's see how we could what can we do in this trade. But man, that's tough. That was exactly what happened on Friday too. Same situation. You came down, tapped the BE point, and typically, the BE point is where you move stocks to break even at, but you just
what was
can't
your
react to
slippage? I got 6 pips worth of slippage.
There's a slippage.
Yeah.
I think I got slipped at all. Yeah. I slipped it all. Trav, congratulations, Riaz. We're able to manage some time there. Wow.
Yeah. No, I'm sorry, not 6. 4.6. 4.6 pips. Slippage. Well, you know, in the grand scheme of things, 4 pips slippage isn't really slippage when you're looking at, 20, 30, 40 pips. But
yeah.
So annoying.
If I was being aware, I would have probably had timer. Because look, you had like a couple seconds. 1, 2, 3, 4,
Zesty.
5, 6,
That's a good word.
7,
Zesty.
8,
Which
9,
is so zesty.
10. You had time. I wasn't even looking at my screen at all. Like, at all. Because I wasn't expecting to get activated. If we got activated, I would have been looking, but I was not even expected to activate. I saw no one was paying attention. Fuck. Yeah, it took advantage of us. They took advantage of us. That's what happened. Yeah. Yeah. But yeah, you guys understand that idea though, like that whole concept there, just alone of like the whole like advantage point concept, like how key and important it is really, right? It's very key to have those levels marked up and planned ahead of time, because those levels are levels where price could reject that, right? And that's what happened here. Price came down, tapped the advantage point, rejected. So now we don't know if it's gonna come back down. We don't know if it's gonna flip bearish. All we know though is that as long as it respects the previous 1 hour high, this thing should likely continue to drive. I'm actually moving my stops to 1 hour high. Why is it not there? Actually 2 pips. But yeah, as long as you respect that high, this thing should likely still drop down. But in terms of managing risk now, it comes down to how this 1 hour candle closes in 25 minutes and how this 30 closes. Right? If the 1 hour candle decides to close above 1788, we'll manage risk at 10 a.m. If not, then we'll just let it rock. It's on a rock. Now we're just speaking about Wix being zesty.
They caught feelings because I was dancing to Shaggy.
Yeah, they made sure I was not paying attention.
Yeah. So, look, zesty. Hold on. Pause everything. Wix was singing it wasn't me. Yeah, I was singing it wasn't me. That's a catchy ass song. If you're not singing it wasn't me, I don't know what the fuck your music taste is like. You're kind of highly questionable at that point.
Y'all need to close. We don't need to do anything. I'm just waiting to manage risk here. I'm following my plan that I set at 9 a.m. I can hit stops beforehand. I don't know. Right? All I know though is that in 24 minutes here, I'll manage risks. Or before 24 minutes, we'll hit stops. Or in 24 minutes, we'll be break even. I don't know. But we had a plan. We set the plan out loud. And we're going to follow the plan. Like we always do every trade.
If you had the wizard buttons, you wouldn't have to be looking at it, fam.
Well, I guess I suck.
That Rob Schneider noise. Oh no, we suck again. Asian session is going to be a lot of fun tonight. I can already sense it. I want you guys to bring the same energy.
It's still a forward trade, chat. Don't get it twisted, right? It's still a forward trade, but advantage point is gone now. You don't have an advantage point. You do not have an advantage point anymore. It's very rare. Guess what? 10? Damn. Was there news at 45 or something? 30? All right. There was no folders today. Yeah, there was no folders today. I checked earlier today. The GJ didn't flip yet as well. Wow. GJ broke the lows wick, so are you gonna enter now? The buy stops? Not too bad now. 4 account broke the lows. You flip bearish here or bullish here. Sorry, should make its way up here nicely. Wow. Clean. That was interesting. 21 minutes for closure. I will close. If the 1 hour closes below here, or you see how there's a resistance here, chat. If the 1 hour closes below here, then the 30-minute candle will probably also close bearish as well at resistance. If it does close below the range in a 1 hour time frame, right? Then you have the 30-minute onion after, and you also have the 1 hour which is respecting resistance, followed by the 4 hour still being bearish. You have hotkeys for review? No, I don't. I don't have hotkeys. I don't have hotkeys. I could set up my stream deck somehow, but yeah, I don't use hotkeys. I'd rather just use it. I use my mouse. I'd rather just use my mouse.
Stream deck's not as important as the GoXLR. But you can set up your keyboard, right? The same way as a stream deck.
Yeah. Wait, all right, coming back down. Can you re-break the lows? If you re-break the lows for chat at that point, we're probably just on managerist and such. Look at that. So now this trade is gonna be a risk-free trade, chat, and we're just gonna close full here in my positions, and there's the trade. Congratulations. Stay calm, stay collective, don't be emotional. Rinse and repeat, same thing every day. Just
close full.
Yeah. Don't be impulsive. Earlier people were saying close now, it's in reverse. You know, one thing I learned in my trading career is that you should not trade with your emotions. You should trade with what you see. But yes, I think it was like 16, 17 pips there.
No, I got 12. I got slipped, so I closed 50% at 12 pips.
Nice. Yeah. There you go, chat. Congratulations, yo. Another day, another dollar. And I closed full. I did not let anything rock. Just closed full. That's I'm just interested in what was that though? Like why did it just spike down our sell stops like that? That's interesting. But yeah, man. Shout out to all the lovers today. All the haters in the chat. Yo, congrats on chat for real though. If you guys are good today. You guys are patient. Look at that 5 closure. Wow.
Yeah. It's gonna close. It's gonna run once it flips.
Yeah, chat. Congrats today, man. Congrats today. It's been a good day. It's been a good year. And on to tomorrow, man. You know, a lot of people are gonna talk about this trading. Like, yeah, it wasn't done. You know, like you closed too early. Blah blah. Hey, man. You can manage this however you want. You can close full, close half, let it rock. Up to you, but I just close full. Yo,
she moved out of state.
Justin
Bieber,
Bieber,
she's seeking forgiveness.
Yo, Justin
she
Bieber,
dance,
man.
She went alone and start up a business.
We're gonna need the Rock to step up their game with the weekend.
Yo, Justin Bieber. Some people talk about RR, right? Look at this. Look at where we close, and we probably would just hit break even there. So sometimes it's not really about the RR. It's about price action. In that case, I closed as we're kind of tapping these levels here. And we closed on a dot. Because if I didn't close, we would hit break even. So yeah, I mean, risk manager is all dynamic. You can manage this however you want. I just decided to close full. You close 75% Wix? Or
I closed 50.
Nice. Well, chat. On to tomorrow, guys. I guess that's that. Let me update this real quick. 17. That was. Copy that. 942. That was breakout. What was that again? That was the. What was that entry?
This 5 minute flipping now.
What was the entry again, Wix? I forgot.
11.
Current high or low.
No, sorry, I thought you meant the number. Yes. Current
Yeah, right.
candle.
4 hour. I'll say 4 hour. Yeah, I'm gonna put 4 hour. Half. Great. Lovely. So, not bad, chat. Not bad at all. Then this channel. Yo, chat. I know you're dipping off here, man, but Wick's not streaming tonight, guys. So make sure you guys come in, show some love to him. He's, that stream gets around like 500 viewers for Asian sessions, which is pretty good. So pretty good community.
He's exaggerating. We get like 450.
Yeah, 450, 500. But yeah, chat. Go tune into that, right?
8 p.m.
8 p.m.
Live.
Eastern, live.
Our last week before the Christmas and New Year's break, before the holiday vacation, right? So
yeah,
let's end it with a bang, and we're gonna hit next year. We're gonna hit the ground running. See you tonight.
We're doing word on chat real quick though. So don't dip just yet. If you guys want, if you guys aren't stream hoppers, you guys will stay for the word though, for real. Let me just try this thing. Chat. You can't trust people like this, man. You can't trust people like this, man. Y'all need to close. Price reversing. Price hit my TP and still lost. Man. That's why I never listen to chat, guys. Always trust yourself. Always. That's one thing I learned here. Don't trust me, trust yourself. Alright.
Hey.
Alright, yo. Let's do a word on hop off of this because it's nearly 10 a.m. here, guys. That trade took a while to activate. Man. Trade. Pains.
We guessed that so many times.
I know. You know why? Because the A is always there and we guessed the pain. And then we're stuck after. Hey, you can't go there, man.
Keelan, you got any ideas, Keelan? What's going on?
Oh shit, Kieran's here. Yo, the man is here. Yo,
We're
there's
back.
no way you got a Trap Star hoodie on, bro. You're definitely from the UK.
Sorry.
You're definitely from the UK.
West London got to represent. I got nothing, boys. I'm out.
Yeah, how do you feel? How do you feel about, how do you feel about
it?
England losing the World Cup?
Bro, I'm heartbroken. I'm heartbroken, bro. You gotta be graceful in defeat, but it's hard when you're cheated like that. But I'm not gonna get into the technicals. But
Damn. So,
all I'm gonna say is that ref has something going on, bro. That ref is...
He wasn't the reason you lost. You guys had 15 shots on it. You know, fucking 8 of them on goal. Something should have went in. He gave a penalty kick. That was all on Kane. Like the ref gave that.
I understand. Like I'm not trying to be that guy. I'm obviously trying to be graceful in defeat, but. Bro, if anyone knows anything about football, that first goal that France has scored never stands 10 out of 10 times. Like, it's ridiculous. But you got to be graceful in defeat. I'm not trying to make excuses. It's annoying that we dominated them.
Right, just because you're rooting for Morocco the next game.
No, Messi. I need Messi to win, bro. Like, Messi like, for the legacy, I got to respect it. Listen, we're out. Got to be graceful in defeat. On to the next, but it's all setting up for Messi to win it, so I'm not mad.
Messi ain't gonna be graceful if he loses.
Yeah, for real.
once again, tomorrow? Tomorrow at 2 p.m.
So. What day is it today? Okay. Yeah. Ooh.
Or Ronaldo. How do you feel about Ronaldo losing? You feel bad for
Me?
Ronaldo or Neymar?
Oh, I couldn't give a fuck about Ronaldo, bro.
Oh, damn.
He's a United boy. I've got no sympathy for him.
That's crazy. Or how about Neymar?
Oh, I got sympathy for Neymar, bro. I only want good things for him. He deserves it. But that's football. It's a cruel game. Cruel game.
We need a pee.
Yeah.
Fucking too easy, bro.
No way.
I
I
was so
like the guy.
confident in that one. I was
like the
so
confidence.
confident in that one.
Too easy, bro.
What? Where's the L go? E.
Yeah.
An apple?
No E. Yeah.
That shit was Apple. We'd be off before Keelan came on.
It wouldn't get a shout, bro. I feel like it does have 2 P's though for some reason. Apple.
I think it's PLY something. Fly.
It doesn't. It touches an A. Oh, PLY? Oh, okay,
Yeah.
I see you. Apply. Yeah. Apply for a new broker.
No
You blew your account
no
today.
way. No.
Apply.
Jeez. Oh,
Hey,
look
man.
at that, chat.
I do not want to hear
Reversed.
one single thing about RR here. At all. I do not want to hear one thing about RR here.
But don't.
Do not.
Alright.
Alright, yo. Chat.
Yo.
Good day, yo.
Love you.
Have a good day, chat. Much love. Appreciate you guys being here today.
Yep.
And yeah, I love you guys. Thanks for coming by. And leave a like on the stream if you guys enjoyed it. I'll catch you guys this morning. Tomorrow morning at 6 a.m. Eastern. Alright. And Wix and I'll be streaming tonight. And Keelan will be streaming
See you
tonight session. So
From
yo.
London.
From London, from the London town.
yeah. Alright, yo. Stay safe, guys. Take it easy.
W.
If you're still training
Later.
today, make sure you wear protection today, right?
Put
Always.
on your helmet.
Yep.
Tell me that you never lie to me. I just wanna make you proud of me. Want you loving every side of me. I love the rhythm of your heartbeat. The way you pushing up on me. I can tell that you want me. Let me show you how it's gonna be. You don't need no other body. You don't need no other body.
Have a good one, fellas. I'm out.
Later.
Peace, bro.
Whoa. Why are you guys saying Lil Baby died, man? What's wrong with you guys?
Energy made this one. My bitch real bad, she a T and some VVS and Dior's, give me coochie and gun. One in the head and 100 round, that's a one-on-one. Rolling with them Glocks in Atlanta, yeah, 101. You the type to see me with a perk and ask for the half. You the type to buy a gram out a pound and a half. I was in the hall making sales, nigga fuck class. Nigga asking for a feature, I'ma take his whole stash. I only like models, all my bitches got a bag. I know I be rapping, but I still get on your ass. Nigga, you a pussy, you be giving niggas pass. I won't shoot you in the mall, smack your face off the glass. Original band crew at 15, had it tatted. No cap, I'm really rich like that boy who own a Maverick. No overtime needed, we gon' leave him where it happened. 3-5 in my wood, you little bum niggas match. When I leave out the house, I wear a Cuban in the chopper. I know I'm a rapper, but I slide when it's a prop. Crack the seal on a pint, fill up my baby bottle. I don't like how he looking, so his car I'ma follow. The day I see you, cuz I'm putting 10 in your face. I'm really neighborhood, these niggas fake it and they change. Rich rolling franchise, basketball, folk game. If TG don't like you, then we taking niggas chains. I really sip syrup, this ain't start yesterday. Got a switch on my chopper, it's the bop it up K. I look at it, that's respect when they don't say it to your face. I sleep in the palace, it's a really big place. I really love to drink, so I put a ring on it. You the type to have a court and don't put your team on it. Niggas really rats, they just got the cheese on them. I came on her face, I be leaving me on it. AMG Benzes, Cartier lenses. The whole hood wave when I'm riding through the trench. I got rich in a couple seconds, he ain't take a minute. I know you wanna dress like me, but I'm pretty lame. Nigga in my lane, get his ass dunked on. I love Apple for them watches and they iPhone. One tap of the gas in his car and I'm gone. I promise he ain't really tough, he just got a cut song. I really get dressed, these niggas try to cop. Swing that chop like a butterfly, sting like Ali.
Yo.
What you looking at? Looking at 5 minutes? I know what you're reading right now. I know exactly what you're reading.
How you know what I'm reading?
I know what you're reading. You're reading an email.
How did you know that?
Huh?
How did you know that?
I know a lot of things.
I don't know what the fuck's going on. What part of the email am I reading?
I'll call you back later. Hold on, I got you.
I think that I could fuck the idea him out of your mind. He said he rap, he ain't signed, that ain't a good sign. Change your mind. Good conversation and some rosé wine. Unless there's some other things you gotta mind.
Yeah, love you, AK Trades. We're just chilling, bro. Don't worry. We're just chilling, bro.
The smoke got me talking in Dutch. Appealing these business, so what? She leaning on me, I'm a crutch. She creaming on me, I'm a crush. Her photos don't need a retouch. She asking why haven't I nut?
It's an ongoing joke. It's an ongoing joke of the Tojico members. So. Because we had a guy that came to our stream last year that kept saying this is a booby trap trade, and there's another guy that says like goals and I remember I probably said, but that was saying something about the trade, so just chilling around. Don't take it seriously. Gotta pray to God above you, girl. You know that savage love you, and I hope that you feel the same. Trying to be the one for you, but my nickname true, and I hope that I can change. Girl, you know that savage love you, girl. You know that savage love you. Gotta turn my bitch up, 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 turn my. No, I gotta turn my bitch up, turn my bitch, TT, turn my bitch, TT, turn my bitch. Gotta turn my bitch up, turn my. Hey. I gotta start going Van Cleef.
condo, third week. I like it, but I'm too.
If y'all got PTs in the chat, put your left hand up. If y'all have PTSD in the chat, leave your right hand up.
DA got that go. I turn the news on when I smell death in the air. I prove you wrong, I made it out of here. I don't belong, I see my past everywhere. Don't stand too close to me. Eternal PTSD. I got a war zone inside of my head. I made it on my own, they said I'd be in jail or dead. I seen my brothers fall over and over again. Don't stand too close to me. I got PTSD.
I was hitting bangs like Chief Keef. Always yelling names, that's DC's. I go off my mind and my instinct. Shooting at the same time, we was in sync. On the same thing, trying to repeat. We was in the whips, right back on the enemy. Stuffed on my last hit, I was in the middle seat. Fuck it out the sunroof, Brody got a quick release. And we in the car real fast with police. Shots fired back, but it's ass in the street. When I bought a 40 show, Brittany and Tiffany, knowing that they call it shit they can't get from me. A lot of warfare, 17, had a 50 piece. Flexed on niggas, so you know they want Killer G. Royalty, posted in the hood with some Billy keys. Loyalty, rock dash, show them what it really mean. I can't sleep cause it's a war zone in my head. My killer's good, they know I'm hands on with the bread. $1 million ahead, I'm still angry, seeing red. How the fuck I'm supposed to have fun? All my niggas dead.
I turn the news on when I smell death in the air. I prove you wrong, I made it out of here. I don't belong.
Oh yeah, 5 minutes shadow.
Everywhere. Don't stand too close to me. Eternal PTSD. I got a war zone inside of my head. I made it on my own, they said I'd be in jail or dead. I seen my brothers fall over and over again. Don't stand too close to me. I got PTSD.
Used to run home from the train stop. Running so fast, dodging raindrops. Remember got robbed at the park once. Remember thinking that bitch probably ain't caught. Remember I was with my mama one time, seen a nigga through the glass, hit a nigga with a bank shot. Point blank head hanging off his tank top. Walked off, we drove off, went to game. Stop. Quiet right there, pick up San Andreas. Certain things we ain't talk about, mama, we just afraid of. We seen it all, don't get involved. Carry the weight of the world like a shawl. Conceal it, reveal it if they pulling cards. I still can feel it, I know that the world is evil in case you thought a nigga forgot it. When my homie was bleeding out, another homie went in his pockets. Please do not run up on me, not even as fans. Niggas get fanned down on the damn Ryan. I'm flying, I'm scary as hell. I need me a Zan.
The days seem longer as life gets shorter. We know sex, drugs, money, all in that order. Ain't no structure, no peace. We lost our order, leaving me with anxiety. Fucking up my sobriety.
I don't know what song that was. That's not it.
I still think about all my niggas that's dead. I'm too paranoid, yeah, I know you heard what I said. I'm too paranoid, I made sure all my ops stay black. Draining all my energy, no, I cannot sleep. I'm affected by the streets, no appetite, I can't eat. I only see red when I see. I think it's my PTSD. I think it's my PTSD. I think it's my PTSD. Yeah.
I turn the news on when I smell death in the air.
Straight bars.
Straight bars.
Bow, 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 bow.
Straight bars, Rex. You hear this?
Chief Keef.
Got a bitch, yeah, she looks so good, but on the real, she in denial. Diamond water, yeah, it look like a river, look like I'm standing in denial. If you really didn't get that last line, then you're level on the brain of a child. Pay attention, better do the right thing, or your pussy has to work in that house. I'm the nigga make it bitch wanna buck. I'm the nigga make it bitch wanna buck. I'm the nigga make it bitch wanna drop. I'm the nigga that your bitch wanna duck. Man, she going dumb, she don't stop. Put it in her mouth, make her jaw lock. Hell, got faster than your whip stop, so why would I tell you about the whips that I got? I'm the nigga make it bitch wanna buck. I'm the nigga make it bitch wanna buck. I'm the nigga make it bitch wanna drop. I'm the nigga that your bitch wanna talk. Man, she going dumb, she don't stop. Put it in her mouth, make her jaw lock. Hell, got faster than your whip stop, so why would I tell you about the whips that I got? Let's go. Pop that ass, do the dash. I'll be running out of gas every time I go to the mall just to pop the tags. I don't really cop that.
Yo, can we just appreciate how good December's been so far, or just how good Quarter 4 has been for 1 second? I'm just thinking about it. Like I never had a more successful Quarter 4 of my years of trading. Or Quarter 4, I don't know what Quarter 4 did this year, but Quarter 4 gotta do more of that.
We need you to in Quarter 1. Q4, we need to see you in Q1.
Quarter 1. Quarter 1.
That's one.
Let's go.
So what's the A-Boogie song you like? Oh yeah.
More. No, that's not it.
Oh, that's not it.
That's not it.
Why you always wanna go and talk about my old hoes? Why you gotta take it there, places that
Which one
we
was
don't
that?
go? You know things about me, everybody doesn't know. Don't you know my money's unfair? I hope you hear me clearly, hope you feeling me. Dabber than that, she keep Gucci on my sleeve. I'm facing on my. How you gonna tell me that it's real when it's fake? Don't you tell me what it is.
Which one was that?
If it ain't, nigga. Cause I've been in and out the bank nowadays. I don't
Man in the
even
mirror.
wanna talk if
Oh,
anyone
yeah.
need conversations. I've been counting up, don't ask me how I've been making plays. Like I'm Jason, but I don't care. I could never tell you what I did, cause it is what it is. If it is what it is, and it is with the fingers. Yeah, I never was a type. Back then, all a nigga knew was swipe. Little
Hey. Hey.
She whispering all in my ear. I'm thinking about what I should wear. Any appearance, I pulling up fly, even if it's no cameras there. I don't own a Benz, I swear. Ferraris and Lambs, I swear. My life is a movie, my wrist is a chandelier. Started getting my bands up in the mansions, living like I'm the Prince of Bel-Air. Do not come over here looking for love anymore, cause that shit don't belong in here. You told me go to hell cause I was driving you crazy. Bitch, I would drive you there. Why would I need a stylist to pick out an outfit for me? I got mad, yeah. Stacking up money like Jingo and Legos. I sing, but I came with a Glock and a Draco. Back at the crypto like mini Barbados. Losing my friends every day, I'm okay though. It's been that way ever since I got famous. We go back like two flats on a Maybach. Money got niggas thinking I changed. Why are you making it so complicated? I could buy you a new ass, just say that. Perkins and Tiffany bags, okay then. Still got bitches that owe me some favors. Now a young nigga got rags, baby. Diamonds go blue like the Mavs, okay then. They can take my sauce, I got too much flavor. No over exaggerating, don't feel embarrassed. I was flipping your bitch in the air, 50 on the Veneers. Could've bought like 100 Montclairs. I can't even sleep, the 30s be helping me concentrate. She throwing it back, in the back of my mind, I'm like, what if the
That protein
break?
shake.
She whispering all in my ear. I'm thinking about what I should wear. Any appearance, I'm pulling a fly, even if it's no cameras there. I don't own a Benz, I swear. Ferraris and Lambs, I swear. My life is a movie, my wrist is a chandelier. Started getting my bands up in the mansions, living like I'm the Prince of Bel-Air. Do not come over here looking for love anymore, cause that shit don't belong in here. You told me go to hell cause I was driving you crazy. Bitch, I would drive you there. Why would I need a stylist to pick out an outfit for me? I got mad, man in the mirror. He was wearing a hoodie. I look at my shirt and that's not what I'm wearing. It's scary. Got a beach full of sand. I drive in the city like Fast and the Furious. With a tank in the ears. It's already went up and it's dirty, I swear. If I see it out, then I put that on butter, I'm airing. Used to wear Michael Kors. Now I got posted in floors. She told me
Oh, DJ!
It's just me and your baby
DJ
girl.
to the
She was rocking my
moon.
world.
You got buy stuff, don't you?
VVS and pearls. Give me up till she Earl.
Haha.
Got
him.
Living like I'm the Prince of Bel-Air. Do not come
Got
over
him,
here looking for
coach.
love
Got
anymore, cause that
him.
shit don't belong in here. You told me go to hell cause I was driving you crazy. Bitch, I would drive you there. Why would I need a stylist to pick out an outfit for me? I got mad, yeah. She whispering all in my ear. Are you gonna treat me like I'm see-through? 7 days a week I wanna
Yo, Wix9, we gotta watch this video, Wix9, before you dip off. We gotta watch this video, bro. Hold on. We gotta watch it on stream, actually. Chat. We gotta watch. Yo, Wix9, you gotta watch this video. No. We gotta watch this. We gotta watch this. You got 13 minutes, right? Cool.
On the run, like I don't got in the
Bro, this
state.
is mad funny.
I went from LA to the
Damn. So let me see what you. Let me do my job, man. You do that side, let me do this side. Damn.
I chase no sleep, call me jet lag, baby.
Fake producer prank on famous rappers. He faked A-Boogie. This is his channel? Yeah, it is.
Yeah, as you can see, you feel what I'm saying? I'm in New York right now, you know what I'm saying? You see, you know I'm in New York when there's nice home-cooked meals ready for me and stuff like that. Let me say what's up to the fam real quick, you know what I'm saying? Yo, good little, you feel what I'm saying? You know what I'm saying? Look, got the plaques here. This is one thing I missed about being to Full Send. Now, Full Send pulled this prank off with regular rappers. They did a fake producer prank. So I was like, nah, I gotta do one. So I ain't gonna lie, I have my disguise. Here's my disguise. I ain't gonna lie, I got dreads, now I'm Jamaican today. I'm sorry, you feel what I'm saying? So I was thinking to put this on. I don't think you would not expect me to be in your session. Like, I ain't gonna lie, like you just wouldn't. I feel like a producer would naturally just wear some weird shit like this. I had this in my closet. I didn't want to wear it just because like this right here, you feel what I'm saying? So I feel like a producer though would wear like, shit. Now I ain't gonna lie, if I walk into the studio, you're not gonna know it's me. Come on, you're not going if I walk into your store like, Wagwan, Mayu, Wagwan, Abogi, Wagwan. You're not gonna know it's me. Come on, bro. So here's the game plan. The game plan is to get the producer to introduce me as an up-and-coming producer that knows what he's doing. You feel what I'm saying? So hopefully things get set up right. Hopefully like he does not know it's me. I don't think he would. And on top of that, we gotta find a way to set up the cameras with him in the booth and stuff like that. Like we just on already know. On and then
got some shit to show you. Oh, you make beats?
Guys, right here, I was so scared that he was gonna catch on to the prank because we linked up like a month ago, which is kind of good because he didn't see me in a minute. But then again, like I didn't want to talk too much or do nothing because I feel like I was gonna broke the spot. But thank God we have weed. You feel what I'm saying? That nigga was high. So I was chilling. Let's continue. I make anything ranging from R&B and hip hop to rock and roll.
Rockin'. Alright. Alright, let's see what we doing. Alright. Rock and roll. Alright.
Like that. Anything you into?
All that. So you just, for me, you surprised me with that. Let's see what you working with.
I appreciate you. This is my cameraman that documents majority of things I do. Is that alright with you?
Yeah, that's cool. That's cool.
Yeah. I won't be including any music that we do in the session.
Yeah, just don't leak no music. That's all.
No what?
Don't leak no tunes.
Okay. Let me see what I can do for right now. You ready to hop on the beat?
Yeah, let's get it.
Got this beat right here that I wanna bring up to my hold on. Let me drag it in right here for you. Hold on right there. Where you put the volume at? Where the volume at for the shit?
Right there.
You feel that right there? That's tough right there. Yeah, I was making that shit when I was fucking my girlfriend. Yeah, you feel what I'm saying?
Why you was fucking your girlfriend?
Yeah, I was making it while I was fucking my girlfriend. I put the beat to like the flow of the her ass clapping type shit. So
jiggling.
Yeah. So I made that shit to like, you know, type shit.
That's genuine. That's very genuine.
Oh, you smoke weed?
Yeah, that's real genuine. Yeah,
Oh,
I
shit.
smoke weed. You smoke?
Okay.
You look like a Rasta.
No, I don't smoke.
You ain't a Rasta?
I stopped smoking a long time ago.
That's fucked up. More for me though. Shit, you gotta start smoking so you can be relaxed. You know, I got ADHD, so I be walking around back and forth in this bitch. Smoke some weed, I sit my ass down. You know. Hey, what you say your name is?
KC3.
KC3. What that stand for?
You said what?
What that stand for?
KC3.
You don't know what your name stand for?
Nah,
nigga?
it stand for Killer Cam 3.
Killer Cam.
Yeah.
Nigga, you ain't carrying wrong, nigga.
Yes, girl, wine pon your cocky, girl. Take back shots, girl, like a bomba clat. Me a Rasta, me go up on it. You know what I'm saying? I used to rap back in Jamaica and shit like that. So like when I do my producing shit, I know my shit. You feel the nigga that you was just with, he probably not even on my level like that. You feel what I'm saying?
Don't you know that nigga though?
Yeah, I know him, but between me and you. That nigga ass.
That nigga ass.
Yeah.
I thought y'all was friends.
Man, you cool, but not that cool. I feel like this song right here, this beat in particular, is good for like, how do I explain it? Like, you know what I'm saying? Trash pussy. Like, you feel what I'm saying? This beat remind me of like
trash pussy.
Yeah, trash pussy. Like, I'm not a fan. I hate trash pussy. You feel what I'm saying? I only like good pussy.
So you must not like this beat. If the beat remind you of trash pussy.
I fuck with the beat though, cause I made it. But like, if I'm being serious though, like, you know what I'm saying? Like, I feel like you should just be like, pussy so trash. I'm just trying to smash. I don't give a fuck, bitch, if you make me laugh. You see, like, you gotta be on that type of flow.
What the fuck is you talking about?
Or you could really be like Jamaican style, you know what I'm saying? Jamaican style. Let me tell you how I do it, you know? Wine pon the cocky, girl, take cocky. Take your time and I take it and I take it and I take on your time. Yes, you want fuck like a dime and you go on pon the cocky girl like that. Jamaica pon the beat when the bumbo clot! Bumbo clot, my youth! You see me?
Nah, I don't see you, bro. What are you talking about, bro? Like, what is this? That shit was metal, bro. That shit was whack as fuck, bro. Like, I don't know if you talking about your producer or not, but you over here spitting, for me, whack ass bars and this shit, bro. What are you talking about? Damn.
So let me see what you got.
Let me do my job, man. You do that side, let me do this side. Damn.
Oh, my fault. All right, let's do it then. Let's do it then, boo.
I don't plan on pulling back in love this time. I don't plan on pulling back in love this time.
I don't know, nice. Pull around my tools, we don't carry nice stuff. Pull around the shotgun, we don't.
Get on the poppy girl, come tonight. Get on the cocky girl, come tonight. You don't want on the cocky girl. You know, I feel it.
Nah, that sounded fire, bro. That sounded tough.
Oh, you fuck with it?
Yeah, I fuck with it, bro.
Like, it's something that you would use though, like.
I don't know, that shit cool. Feel me? I fuck with it. I just don't fuck with you. But what you was doing on it, you was doing some whack shit on it at first. But then at the end, I fuck with you was doing at the end, and that shit was cool for me. You got the little, yeah.
Okay, shit. I stole this beat from a nigga anyway.
Stole that shit?
I stole that shit.
Word?
Yeah.
The fuck, nigga? So why you showing me a nigga beat you stole, nigga? Yeah, that's...
Cause I ain't a fucking producer, nigga.
What the fuck? Nah, I'm dead. What?
What's good, nigga?
Nah, you the gaming nigga? Nah, what's up, nigga?
Yeah, it was good,
nah,
nigga.
you the gaming nigga. What
I'm
up,
a gaming nigga.
Nah,
Yo,
you over here acting like a producer and shit, bro. What the fuck?
Your team told me you was having a stew session. And guess what I decided to do?
And what you did?
Pulled up. You know what I'm saying? What's good though, nigga?
What's good though? You alright, my nigga?
Yeah, nigga. What the fuck is up, nigga?
Appreciate you.
You fuck with that beat though?
Yeah, nah, I fuck with that beat. That shit was alright. Whoever made that shit.
Nah, whoever made that shit. Shout out to whoever made that shit. I don't know who made that shit, but shout out to that nigga. Nah, bro, I had to pull up as a fake producer. I was worried that.
You lucky I'm high enough for this shit.
Yeah, that's what I was thinking. I'm thinking like this nigga smack. But what's it called?
I'm about to roll up another one.
Nigga, I ain't no motherfucking producer, nigga.
Man.
You ain't no producer.
Yeah.
This is not funny, bro. Nah, I remember that part where he was like, nah.
He just turned the music off, start yelling.
Get on the poppy girl, come tonight. Get on the cocky girl, come tonight. You don't want on the cocky girl.
Nah.
You know, I feel it.
Nah, this is not funny, bro. This is only 10 months ago too. Holy shit, man.
Damn, dog. All right, that's it. Call it. I'm out.
Chat. Be safe out there, yo. Catch you guys tomorrow. Yo, you asking me if this is a train stream or a social stream? You should have showed 3 hours ahead, bro.
Yeah, we already took a W.
You're 4 hours
Your
late.
ass is late.
You're very late. Very late.
Show up to the Asian stream. Be early.
These bitches always want something
from me, man, that's not different
every
Damn,
time
dog.
it's me and you. You
I'm
love
out.
me when I